Go trade something else if you want to trade. Like an example, here's an example. You're trading TPT and VIX is above triple B. Okay. This is a line that we put on your volatility you don't want to play with. When you're funded, up here, the market's more sensitive to news, and therefore you're more sensitive to sudden drops in the market.
Stick another guy right there
next to the goal. So if you have a bunch of TPT fundage, just wait for a minute. Go out there and get something else, like a blue sky or something else, and trade something else
for a joke
that's
here.
not trailing drawdown. Because trailing drawdown is a killer when markets are volatile. You want VIX to be below this level for this month for it to be happy. And when VIX is below here, the market's less like you're going to truck along and then Trump tweets something. It's not going to drop 1,000 points in NASDAQ. It might drop 50. So the market is very sensitive to news above the contango midpoint. Avoid. Don't trade your trailing drawdown up here. If you do, then you better wait and do nothing and nothing and nothing and let the market dip you to some key pivot and know it's going to probably overshoot and then play around that pivot. Spread out small, wide bets. Trailing drawdown always is base hits. Don't use shorts when you're trying to do base hits because short markets are more volatile and they fall more violently and they overshoot more. You want a nice, solid, long trade off of a strong, long pivot that's not volatile. And get in and get out one-to-one trade only a base hit. So if you are taking 40 points in NASDAQ, you take your 40 points and get out of the way. Don't hold any more than one-to-one. On at least, don't hold any more than 40 points in NASDAQ or 10 in S&P. Get your little bump, close it out, walk away. If it's a volatile market, that number is going to be bigger than 10 and 40. It's going to be whatever our rules are for stops, which is the largest 1 minute candle or what arbitrage says, or
either playing today or tomorrow. Depends.
Or the 10 or 40. Are we above? Yeah, we're above the triple B.
I want to play
so
today.
The thing is that we're above it today, and so the market's gonna be more sensitive to news. You know, Trump or somebody says something, it's gonna be violent. So an example today, I would say, okay, what if I wanted to get a long trade and VIX above triple B? Dang it, so it's gonna be volatile. Market opens and it moves higher and moves higher and moves higher. I wouldn't take a trade in midair like that. I would wait and sit out all day if I have to let it fall into some key pivot like here or some liquidity pocket, and I would wait and trade pocket to pocket and close out. You want to close out on a green. Who needs coffee when you got this knowledge? There you go. So yeah, in the mornings, literally in the mornings when you guys come up here,
I just agree with whatever.
Y'all can ask me anything you want. We got pre-market goodies. We have traded flat up and down a little bit. We had MHP tap. So you see how the range is expanding today, right? You get this little megaphone look to it. This happens when VIX is on that edge of triple B. It's going to be kind of like a back and forth sort of day. This is that final day where the market determines which is what it's going to do. Anytime you have an expansion at a high consolidation, for the most part, as long as it doesn't sell off that day, the next day is the continuation, okay? So this is good. As long as we don't find lower lows below this, again, the breakout is the direction of the market. As you see, when the market's consolidating, like we've went right back up to the top and it's flat and starts to get choppier and wider, this is unstable. One of the sides is going to get squeezed, and whatever side gets squeezed really hard. So the expansion day at the end of a run is usually like this is the day that's going to be the deciding day. Now, you're not going to say it's breaking out or not breaking out till it busts through the range and then tests on the range. Very simple. Like you can just do like you see how it's becoming more volatile, right? You want to see it break through and sort of like hold at one of the levels and then keep going slowly. The minute that happens, the decision's been made. Now we got a month of up, right? Kind of thing. We are outside of monthly maps, bear zones. So the bull zones stuff is kind of like corrected itself. Market's good. Guys, do me a favor, hit that like button, friends. I'm so glad to be back. My internet was crappy yesterday, but I'm here. We got a big event for y'all this morning. We've got My Funded Futures, Next Gen, Tradeify, and
I can do this.
Next Gen again. Oh, we got a bunch of Next Gens going away. I wonder if Next Gen's got an event going on or something right now. 80% off of all the evals with Score. Score 65 is 65 off instant. So no free reset event. Okay, now we're opening flat, guys. Flat open. We have 1 minute left. Flat open basically means don't trust resilience to be we got a whole minute left to chat. At a flat open, we need resilience to be greater than 50 or less than -50 to really give us a strong read. I'm not going to pivot the market on resilience if it's flat because resilience is choppy around the half gap and we're opening right at the half gap. So all your stocks opening flat, We're going to take resilience with a grain of salt. So what I like to do, especially in these megaphone days, is just let the range expand. Don't trust the initial candle. Let the candle play out. Strong pivots only, long side at the bottom. Wait, there's free reset today? It's not in my campaigns, guys. Campaigns don't say that. Let me look really quick. Hold on. It is in the stream prep. Oh yeah, free resets today until end of the day. Okay, yeah, free resets. It's on my streamer prep. Okay, it's there now. We're off, guys. I made all my money last night long in MHP, dude. It was so dope. Right there at the bottom. All right. See, again, let's let it run. Let it dip. Let it dip. I don't know if this one is maxed out though. 2355. Let's do micros today. Come on, load up.
Order rejected. Order rejected.
Oh, that is at max profit. Okay, never mind. Okay, let me get a different DOM. That one already maxed out. What about this one? Order rejected.
Apologies. Agora eu tô vendo
oh, wait,
aqui.
hold on. Let me get this. MNQ. Come on.
I know. I do know.
No, that one's maxed out too. Do I have one that's not maxed out? All of these are max profit, I think. That's max profit too? What the hell? What about you? How about you? Hold on, I gotta find me a DOM to trade. There you go, maps to pop up. Oh shit, we are in a bear zone. No bueno. All right, here we go. I don't know what this one is, but I got this one here. Let's do some micros on it. All right. How much have you made today? Order rejected. Just performance. All those, that other account, they're all at max profit. So this one's made 1185. All right, let's trade some micros at the pocket. S&P is opening at MHP. This is a bull long up from here. Actually, no, it's MHP break. So as long as we hit MHP by 10 points, it's pretty decent. Resilience is not super duper strong. But Nasdaq, once it runs into the pocket, should be okay. This is going to be a tough day, guys. It's going to definitely be a tough day. It's going to chop around a lot. Nasdaq has pocket to pocket. If it does hold right here, this is trade 1. Segregate, trade 2. If it breaks above, hold. I'm going to wait for it to bounce back to here. And if it tests there, I'm going to take trade 3, which is, we call it an RV trade. Trade from bear zone to bear zone, baby. Hit that like button. Let's go. Hit it. Hit that like button. Hit it like it owes you money. Dude, these top wicks are not good. This market is trying to sell. Meta is selling off below MHP. And I just bought 2 micros just to play the pocket. So I don't know. This is very violent. This is 3 1-minute candles with top wicks. It is definitely trying to sell from here. It's probably get violent here. So these micros is going to take a hit. VIX above triple B. Let's double check down here. Where the hell's my VIX? All right. S&P is good. Nasdaq is bad. This is a rotation. So as soon as the Nasdaq's selling, it might snap up. But we're rotating pretty heavily out of tech stocks. So VIX is in decay pattern, which is decent. We like to see that. Triple B 87, which is good. Let's double check monthly maps while we're at it. Free resets on next gen all day today. Yep, I found that out. That's definitely true. So S&P has rescued itself into the pocket. So S&P's bottom 75.42. Sorry. 75.29 is today's bigger monthly map pocket, and it's still bullish if it lands there. So bull market's back, you guys. Very much back. An 86-DD ratio is totally beautiful. Nice and solid here. Let's let it run. Grab some micros on this one. I don't know how much this one needs to make though. All these accounts. One of the things that's crazy about the different steps is a lot harder to manage. So this one I have set because each one of them is such a different target. 1750. Wait, 5311. Oh, no. This one needs to make 3,000 today. Okay. So I just got that liquidity pocket trade just now. I grabbed it with 1 mini. This was my launch account, the one that just went funded, the one that was fresh 0 today. I traded from here to here and just closed out for a 1260 scalp. And this one with the micros, I could probably close out there, but let's hold through that. And I'll demonstrate this one for the rest of the day. Payout secured. I'm getting a payout tonight. Well, actually, I think the max payout for, let me double check those. No, I need to get 3,000, don't I? Hold on, I need max payout. That is a launch 100K. So the max payout is 3K. Okay, so I need to make 3K on that account for max payout. All right, well, let's do it. Okay, so if I wait on bull zone and support there, we got RB straight through the middle. The code for free reset? Yeah, it's a good question. Mods.
Right there. There it goes.
The
Keep
streamer
going.
prep is
no
not
wick,
prepped.
no wick. Keep going up.
With
There
that.
it goes. Just like that, chat.
Mods, you gotta
Beautiful.
get on that.
No wick.
And
no
the
wick.
campaign doesn't say it either.
No wick. We know better. There it goes. There it goes.
Oh,
there it
let's go, let's
goes.
go.
Stops at break even because it's too wicky.
Y'all can make sure it
There
says
it
that on
goes. Show me 55. Show me 55.
Look at that, 2 micros
Here we
making
go.
$100
75.
there. All right, so if we
I'm
support
moving my
the bull
stops
zone
up
here,
to
this is
about
another rip up to the upside.
27. Moving my stops up to about 27.
But boy,
Here we
look at
go.
this choppy
Bang. There's
resilience,
50
man. It
points.
is all
And
over
we're
the place. This
rolling. There's
fucking
60
figure out what it wants
points.
to do. I
60
want to chase
points,
along, but
and
no,
we're
not here. Not
rolling.
yet.
There we go. SPX is going up to 18.
If we enter
60
second
points
pocket, I would
and
chase along
rolling
big
my
time.
stops. I'm gonna get stopped out at 33. Bang, right there. Right there.
It's
nice.
so violent and choppy,
That
and
was
Rez is still
about
figuring itself out.
33 on the
Meta's
last
down,
stop.
Microsoft
Took
is
full
down, Amazon,
profit at
Tesla's down, a lot of
42 to
rotation.
55 points.
So
Nice
rotating
job.
out here,
Nice,
rotating
good
up
job.
there.
Nice job, and I still like SPX here to pop up to that.
A lot
18,
of the day is green though. Like a lot of the
wick
stocks are
around and
green,
drop.
but that just doesn't mean much when you're flat. I mean, when everything's flat, it's gonna flip flop a whole lot. So there's pocket trade number
Yeah,
2.
there's a lot of buying pressure. There's a lot of buying pressure, but wow, you just got wrecked.
Damn.
Oops.
And look at SPX.
Let me see.
Look at SPX.
If we hold that bull zone, man, I'd like to take a long all the way back up to the 260 support at the top.
All the way back up.
Yeah.
Remember, holding this bull zone is bull zone to bull zone. That would be great. That'd be great to get that. I need $3,000 for max payout. For this blue sky. Ooh, I do like that candle though. That's pretty sexy. Let's run it. I'm letting these 2 micros ride though all the way to the top. So as long as we support at 135 right here, we have bull zone to bull zone. You guys on that pocket trade. Y'all know it. Guys, do me a favor, smash the like button, friends. Let's get ready to roll. You know, 2 days ago, we had the biggest stream we've ever had. We had 1,630 people in the morning. That's crazy. That's crazy town. I love it. Okay, so anyways, choppy market, guys. Wider range, volatile range. Don't sleep on this. Don't be like, you know, all in long. Like I'm just trading micros here just because I'm gonna play a wider sweeping range. The best play today, and I'm gonna tell you the best play today is here. That is the best setup you've got from there to there. That pocket right here, bulls, or we call RBs a sandwich trade. This. So if this somehow like fights and dies down in here, then you get that play. The widening volatility is going to allow something like this to possibly happen. So be very, very, very cautious chasing from the middle here. Like this is the middle of the range. Let the range do something else. Let it figure itself out first. See, I'm spinning micros on this. Let's scan through some of the stocks really quick. You know what I mean? See what I'm saying? Flat days get choppy. That's why micros are good. You can absorb the impact. I'm smart enough to do that out the door. And look, we're going to hit that awesome pivot I wanted to hit. Let's get ready for some minis on that one. See, the micros that have gave me money if I was right.
Shit.
The minis going to give me some money now that I'm wrong. So let's jump in right down here. I don't know how much of these still need to make money.
One of our OGs.
Breaks this low, it's
These
gonna
are
go all
all
the way down
maxed
to
out.
the 900s. Realistically, I got like 915 now.
See what I mean? Play that range, baby. So now I'm just engaged. A couple micros in this account. That's it. With falls are right down to there. I'm gonna smack it with a couple minis. Maybe just one mini. Just one
They're
mini
going
here.
to the finals. Are gonna win.
Holding through the chop with a very small position.
I would love to
Not
see
big,
USA
nothing
versus
little.
Mexico.
Let the range, let it flow, baby. What about ES to rebound off of? ES. So I'm just kind of, let me scan through the stocks really quick. So Apple's good, Nvidia's good, Meta's not good. Huge rotation day, but a lot of the sectors are green. I mean, pretty much across the board. Bank is all green, consumer staples all green, utilities all green, real estate all green. I mean, it's like 90% green. You just have a little bit of big tech selling, and that's it. So this is tech rotation into other things. It's still strong enough to hold. I don't think it's going to sell off big. Let's just hope nothing big comes to the news, though. All right. Forgot to look at this morning with you guys. Let's look at employment rate and payrolls. Wait, government payrolls, manufacturing payrolls. Oh shit, back to green. See how violent it is? It's just really crazy. Couple micros hold through it, and then hits the bottom, hit it with some minis, double down. Bigger spot. Don't play from the middle without, see how, hold on, let me give you an example. You see guys, how I saw I traded here? Like when the market opened, did y'all see me put something small on, right? And so if it goes up big, and I win big on something small. If it goes down, I'm down small. And I can hit it bigger with a stronger position, right? I did this trick all the time, and like most traders out there are like, let me short it, let me long it. They're trying to hit it hard from here, and I know that it's a fucking crapshoot and volatile. So what I do is I just trade small, and if I'm right small. If I'm wrong small, and that's really it. And we talked about that sort of range here this morning, right? When you start to see megaphoning, a megaphone looks like this pattern right here. When you start to see megaphoning, especially like on the longer market, the longer market is rallying and then consolidating. And then at the consolidation, once it starts megaphoning again, you are moments away from choosing a direction, and it will choose a direction violently. Whether it breaks out up or down, whenever that megaphone breaks and supports along that upward trajectory, then you get a massive move to whatever side you're at. And if it's the downside, it's good. This is the decisive moment of the market. Once you start to see a top chop megaphone, decisive. Do we understand what I'm saying? Once the market's consolidating at the top, it's liquid. And once it starts becoming wider range, it's less, there's no liquidity anymore to keep it contained. The buyers and sellers are sort of scarce here, so it's so easy for one side to get tipped over because both sides are very
Café tá pronto lá.
You started your first day eval with Tradeify, ended up almost hitting profit target. What can you do? You're trying to like so you need to lose money on purpose if that's the case in Tradeify. This is not investment advice, but this is a paper trading account, so it doesn't matter. I can give you all advice I want for paper trading. So what you do is you need to open and close a position really quick. Like if you buy and if you go buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, it'll automatically be a loss because you're buying to the ask and selling to the bid, and just whittle it down slowly to target. Trying to hit consistency, right? Look at this. 2 micros is all I need, and I held through it. The smart thing to do is not be a retard and try to guess through this. Just take your bull bet small and hold through it. See, my small bull bet is almost 300 bucks. And now we're going to run right up to 260 very quickly, and that's awesome. Very awesome. And the idiots out there trying to chase every single leg of this, just bet small and hold through it. Had we fallen to there, I would have hit it with some minis. I would have won that trade. The little micros, I can hold through it without crying, and then it breaks out and goes there, then I make a little bit of money. So I win small, I take a little bit of drawdown and win big. I can take a little bit of drawdown and then lose medium if I'm wrong. I'm losing medium small. The risk to the reward from there is high reward, small risk. So the best part about trading volatility is you trade small in the areas you know are liquid. So you win small if it just goes straight up. If it falls here, you also kind of lose small, right? The it's almost like 1-to-1 with some micros. I mean, this maybe goes up a little more. And then I hit it with a medium trade. And when the medium trade is wrong, the risk that I take on the medium size trade is much lower than the reward I take on the big trade. So it's beneficial just to take something small and hold through the chop. Win small if I'm right. Dive in heavy if it falls to there. Support, support, support. Then the R to R on this is fantastic. You're talking 5-to-1. This is a 5-to-1 trade from here. This is 200 points on a 40-point loss. So it's 5-to-1. So the way that I trade certain markets is I just hold through it and double down at my strong pivot. But I know it's going to be choppy and megaphoning, so let's just put some micros on it. This professional level position management. That's how I win tournaments and stuff. I mean, I don't goof around. Do a micro at the stop loss. You want to go down? Do a micro with at the stop loss the amount you want to go down. Yeah. What's the risk interval NQ? You know, if you buy the platform, it'll tell you. But I'll give it to you today. 269, brother. You wish I trade my live account on the stream again? It's back and forth, dude. Everybody likes when I do different stuff. I also like trading my live account on the stream too, trust me. But it's also funny that every time I take some drawdown, I get 5 videos made out of me about it. It's hilarious. Y'all send me, hey Matt, this guy made a video. Look at this guy, 90K drawdown. I'm like, you know, when I lose 90K, if I have a 90K drawdown and people are like, look how much he lost, and it shows me to that person who made that video that 90K is a lot of money to them. And I go, oh, bless your heart, kid. That's just a normal bad day for me. That's a lot of money to you, huh? Make a video out of that. We got Elon Musk dropped $10 on the sidewalk. Let's make a video out of it. Look at out of his pocket. What a loser. He lost 10 whole dollars. Look at Elon Musk losing all that money. Yeah, kid, you broke. I know. Bless your heart. Oh, that was that one day. And one day I took some heat, but I remember digging out of it a little bit, and I was only down 20 by the end of the day. But the videos were already out. It's so much fun. I guess when you're popular, people out there want to see any kind of fault they can, and let's make it a thing. Look at this, Matt's down 90K, and then everyone's like, oh my god, he's down 90K. I'm like, wouldn't you love to have 90K in your pocket? You know, I'm making $5,000 bets on soccer, you know. Like last night, I bet 5K on the US. I play bigger than most people, I guess. I don't know. But I do wish I could only trade my real account on stream. Jokes aside, more people prefer props, and that's the only reason I trade props. We're like professional streamers on top of everything else. We got to follow what the audience wants. And all the metrics, all the demographics, everything, the responses, y'all are all trading props. So I'm gonna do a mix up. I promise. Like at some point when this Iran stuff is fully over and we're done with it, which is getting there, I'm probably gonna go back and do the 100K thing again. If they squawk, it means you're doing something right. Yeah, I guess. Yeah. I've always been waiting for some hot-headed person out there that had something to say, to be like, let's go one-on-one, bro. I'll trade you. I have this open challenge, right? I tell these streamers or traders, I said, look, let's put $1 million. I've said 100K, I've said $1 million. Nobody's sticking up on any amount. Let's put 100K in an account. I'll put one, you'll put one. We'll trade for a month. At the end of the month, the winner keeps the loser's account in full. We'll pay for pink slips. Just like racing your car, like winner of this race gets the loser's car. And not a single person out there has ever wanted to, I'll take you up on that, bro. They're always very silent when you drop the real account challenge. And then they find clever ways to dodge it, like that AMC pump and dumper idiot. When I won Pat Whelan's tournament, I won that thing. He was like, oh, Matt sucks. I was like, you put your money where your mouth is, bro. Let's go. He's like, yeah, 50K one-on-one. I was like, okay. And he's like, no, how about 100? I'm like, okay. He's like, well, how about we sign a contract? I'm like, okay, send it to me. A week later, never sent it. I'm like, where's it at? He's like, oh, you're trying to dodge, bro. I'm like, no, actually here, my lawyer drafted up a contract. Here it is. I showed you guys on stream. Here's the contract. Give me your email so I can send it to you. Never sent the email. And then told everyone I dodged a tournament. Like, that's what it's like out there. That's what it's like out there. So I took that 100K and I turned it up into almost close to $1 million, and I I bought my girlfriend a Ferrari to celebrate her opening her Pilates studio. That's what my life is like. So, anyways. Me versus TJR. Oh god, that guy's terrible. That guy is not a trader. He's a nothing, no beef or nothing, but that guy's no, that wouldn't even be a fun match. The only fun matches out there, I think, that would be fun would be like me versus Rips, or me versus Dakota, or me versus like maybe Lanzo, maybe Brian. These guys make money. That would be a fun match. Those are all homies too. Those are good guys. Other than that, no, dude, no one else would stand a chance. Yeah, my lawyer won't let me or something like that. Yeah. He's hilarious. Yeah, I think he's funny. I think TJR is a funny guy. He knows what he's doing. He's just a streamer entertainer, but as far as trading goes, he ain't that good. And that ain't beef. That's just me being honest about my opinion about somebody's skill. All right, let's let this rip it up. Come on, I get max payout at 3K on this account. So $400, we're in the pocket. We go bull zone to bull zone would be kind of nice. 260, I'd like to get out and close out my long there. Somebody said, can we talk about something a little more fun? I don't mind calling people out, but we do it daily. We don't call anybody out daily. What are you talking about? Are you talking about me? Are you telling me what to say on my stream? How about them puppies? Aren't puppies fun and fluffy? What? We don't talk about anybody daily. What are you talking about? We're just y'all are talking about somebody. Y'all are asking me questions. I didn't come in here to talk about anybody. All right, come on now. Let's get up a little higher. Come on, let me close this out. This is my funded account that I had with Blue Sky. So I get a 3K payout today if I'm right. I'm gonna land right at 3K if I can get there. Just one e-mini. All right, let's take it. Max payout achieved. 3,000 bucks on that account. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. All right, ready? Close out, close out, close out, and I'm done. All right. So bring it on. Bring it on. Another day at the office. Sue, I don't have the accent. I can't say it right. I don't have the Spanish sounding accent. I have my Texas accent. It's Seu. How do you Seu? Or Portuguese, not Spanish. Well, whatever. Latin, Portuguese. I don't have the accent. Zoo? Is that what you say? Zoo? Making money while combating trolls. It's always the fun stuff. All right, so that's in and out, pocket to pocket, Arby's trade. You guys know the drill. I'll show you all the handout for that in a second. Good deal, guys. This was a great trade. I could be done for the day from here. So I've secured a payout with Blue Sky. That's good. So I can get 3,000 bucks from that account. So that is Blue Sky funded. Hold on, let me. All the screenshots of that. So that's a Blue Sky. So all my stuff is green today. That's Blue Sky funded launch account. So that's this guy right here. So that's secured payout. So I think because I've accumulated the buffer, I don't know what the drawdown will be though. Do I have to make more buffer on this? Hold on, let me look at this. So this one has 6,000 net lick on it. So I guess, oh, distance to drawdown. Cool. It's because, okay, nice. So this does include the first buffer that I put in there. So here, if I take out 3, there's still 3,000 a buffer. Perfect. Payout secured. That's really dope. So you build that buffer in the buffer phase, and that's literally your buffer going forward. So now that I'm funded, I've already made 2 times my payouts. Yeah, very nice. Bro, do I even trade? Yeah, I know. Congratulations, guys. Good job. That was pretty, like I said, solid trade. When you're megaphoning, that's the trick every time. Go small. If it dips to pivot, trade bigger. If it goes up, win small. See, I won small. Even 2 micros, dude. Look at this. The 2 micros was $600 to that P&L. You don't need a lot of money when it's megaphoning and moving quickly. That's for damn sure. That's for damn sure. Anyways, guys, that's a nice little stopping point here. We do our first giveaway in a second.
She from Texas, I can tell.
But in the meantime,
my room.
it's time for you guys to whip it out for me a little bit. If it dips, I definitely dip.
Wait, I want to see.
You would see 100. I can't show it on Tradified TV. You would see
Oh, fuck.
more of my second amendment.
Time to whip
right
it out for me,
than you have.
guys. Show me them curves.
Ooh, sick. Alright, now we're reading.
Come on, I want to see that retest pop up.
Does
to
it
that
hang
newer
low?
high.
Is it tall and
I still
proud? How
didn't
are these
see that
P&Ls looking
41 in
today?
a couple quarters. And Q's
1,780 bucks, 195, 455, 864. Oh my god, 948, 2231.
SPX gets a pop and
Evals now passed. Let's go 3,900. Kyle, Jesus Christ, every day, Kyle. Bro, I remember a month ago you made your first payout.
One more time.
Let's go.
Shit just fired off.
14K. Well,
send Nikki all the way to his
2,400.
price
Lucky low.
target.
Quiddity, stupidity, $800. Escobar 661.
Are you in
Wow.
1 micro?
Nice curves, guys.
I wasn't 4. Took profit on 3.
No
now I'm
homo.
1.
Literally,
Bro, to make
I love it. I love what I
$1,000
see.
on one
Nice,
micro
big,
is insane work,
fat,
man.
juicy P&Ls.
That is absolutely
It's
insane
tall and proud.
work.
500 points.
Yeah,
Matt,
break
so
40 if not.
Newbie, Matt.
If
Bilby,
SPX,
nice
yeah,
job.
if SPX
In
can
the
climb
trader.
back above
Nice.
this like 35,
Congratulations.
36, I think you're gonna see NQ
Very
get a
girthy.
nice pop. Get a real nice
Very
pop.
girthy.
So
Nice.
it's really up to
Show
this
me that
level.
P&L, guys.
It's looking good. Let's see what happens.
Let's pick a winner,
Show
Spud.
that.
yeah,
Anytime
yeah.
he says, show
Big
that
bad.
thing.
150K lightning
Oh my
fund.
God, so funny.
Goes
7,000
to Candle
funny.
Bridge.
Congratulations. Very
Candle
nice. Well
Bridge.
done,
You got
guys.
something
Very well
in
done.
chat?
Good job.
You're getting a 150K lightning fund account.
When you max out Lucid, there's no point to keep going on right to get the withdrawal. Do you have, so on Lucid, have you made more than your,
Equilibrium.
on Lucid, have you made,
doesn't
so you're
break
funded,
this, it
right?
goes
You've
back to the
maxed out
bottom
like
of
the
the
number of
range,
accounts,
which
you've maxed out your P&L? Is that what you said?
The Earth's axis
Goes
tilt.
above it, it rips to 5.
Let me ask you another question. What does the Earth's axis tilt on?
What do you mean by maxed out with Lucid?
I don't know. If you step on the left side, like
Is
if
the
you're
P&L
on,
curve kind of like the 1M NQ chart normal? This looks like, if this is what your P&L looks like, it looks kind of painful. Like you got in a motorcycle wreck or something. Things all twisted up down there. Nice curves, guys. Do I have a course? Do you have a course? Free resets all day with Next Gen. All right, guys, it is time for some giveaway action. Our first giveaway to celebrate
they're not
is going to be
reclaiming
some
250.
Next Gen accounts. So let me get this front and center for you guys. Hold on. Let me open up the old giveaway bot here. Hang on, hold on. Good job, guys. Y'all did really well today. Did you guys employ a strategy of you understood? We teach you guys how this expanding of volatility, you just trade small from your pocket and then trade bigger at the lower pocket. So you have basically a large swinging one-to-one trade with some micros and then hit it hard at the bottom with some minis. I play Megaphone Day like this all the time, and I don't chase at the top of
Video bouncing
Megaphone. Like here, I get in the middle, I buy at the bottom to add to it, and then trade back to the middle, or I trade to the edge from the middle and close out. It's probably going to be like this all day, so don't think you missed out on something. Give it plenty of room to goof around. Trust me. All right, my half cap boys. You know how it goes. Free reset. Next gen free resets today going on. All right, look. Next gen has become a fan favorite here, and every time they have the free resets, it's only today only. You guys go crazy for it. You did 2 micros, such good advice. Yeah, like when you know it's doing this, take a large swinging 1-to-1 trade or a medium size trade at the bottom, double down 5-to-1 back to the middle. So the 3 scenarios, either A, it goes
Factory
up, you
orders
win,
coming out
B,
in
it
1
dips
minute
and goes
here,
to
1
the
minute.
middle, which is where it's hovering around, you win. And C, it falls to the bottom and falls. So you only take a medium to small loss. But that medium small loss in the second trade is like 5-to-1. I mean, it's huge. So Megaphone Days always play like this, same way. 16 years of trading. This shit's on repeat. Is the correct next play to be buy a bear zone? Yeah. So I like the way that we talk about is the liquidity pocket trade is so strong. Bear zone to bull zone scalp works more often than it doesn't. A lot more often. I can't give you investment advice clearly on your own trading, but let's count it together, right? Like how many times, you know, despite the opening volatility, 1, yes, 2, yes, 3, yes, almost 4, yes. The scalp from here to here is very strong.
Data's in.
Dust particle in there. So throughout the day, it doesn't mean every single one of them is going to win, but throughout the day, when you have very strong DD ratio, about 9 out of 10 times it works. On average, non-confluent days, it's like 7 out of 10, 6, 7 out of 10.
Filling back up here,
So even in bear days, it pivots more often than it doesn't. So we usually have to trade this every single time. All right, so let me tell you what makes next gen goated as far as when they have free resets. Let me show you on that. Let me do this really quick. Let's show you the difference. Let me show you why the free reset is so important with next gen. If you guys like straight to funded accounts, right? So let me pop this up here really quick. Lucid Direct 50K. Right? We all know Lucid is goated. We all know Tradeify is goated. It's down here somewhere. Where has Tradeify? There it is. Tradeify has the Lightning, which is their directive funded. Wait, I don't hear this. That's not the song I thought I was gonna play. This is the Christmas song. Oh well. Let's play a better song. Alright. Who else is directive funded?
Looks like it's just holding here at 40s.
I remember the Christmas song. Oh, we'll bust it out in December. Don't worry about that.
S&Ps are starting to get a little soft. Nvidia's still going though.
Type in free reset. So I'm going to show you what directive funded accounts look like, and like a little bit of a difference between them. Let's do like the 50K here and next gen. So next gen is not directive funded, but when you get free resets, chat, do you understand how that's free directive fund? How that's becomes a directive funded now because you can reset for free?
More weight on inflation persistence.
Can we get this, chat?
Longer
if you
hold.
buy an eval and you can just reset and reset and reset and reset till you go funded, then you're directive funded. It's simple as that. So free resets convert your standard eval account into directive funded. Where the hell is next gen on here? I can't even see it. They also recently revamped some of their accounts
70s now?
For the better. We've been advising them on some of their plans. They're like, how do we make our plans score better? We'd like to make better plans. And we're like, oh, well, here's some of the changes you can make. And they've been employing some of those changes. Let me read them to you really quick. Right now, the daily loss limit has been removed on all funded accounts
Data
now.
in the second
So
half
all their
will be
funded accounts, daily loss limit's removed.
Says, man.
The only thing that makes them score slightly lower is it's 7 days to pay out. But we had a big hand in advising these guys that DLL is just something that traders can't stand and hate. It's my freaking audio driver just crashed. Also, red flag news trading is allowed with these guys too, which is kind of nice. All right, so let me show you on the comparison tab what makes this, and we're doing a bunch of giveaways for these guys today. What makes this pretty cool. All right, so direct to funded, right? Typically has DLL, typically has very low consistency, like 20%, and so Tradeify, Top One, and Lucid literally all kind of copied each other's model. They're all pretty much identical. You know, I think who came first, maybe Tradeify, I don't know, but they're all about the same look. 50K direct to funded, it's 1200 DLL, 20% consistency, 5-day payout. It's all the same.
Eu não vi que
It
tá
looks like
fechado.
a TWAP buying.
Cost after all the discounts.
Ah, já que tá quebra aí, ô.
295, 340, and 260, like $300 for a 5-day.
Não quero mais não.
Both DLL and consistency. Very hard, very expensive, very long to pay out. But when next gen
70s
gets
is a big
rid
Ô,
of
Gordinho.
reset
Ô,
fee,
Gordinho.
then you're only paying $179 all in. Actually, you're only paying $50
Ô, Gordinho.
up front for the eval, and then an
Gordinho.
activation fee, which makes it $179 all in. It is literally $100 to $130 cheaper than these guys, and you go direct to fund and you just reset until you
ouvindo, não?
pass.
Back down to these 50s
So
now.
it becomes a direct to funded account that's over $100 cheaper than the best competitors, and
Those
there's
two
no
outliers are still
DLL.
on the tape. Right down to the point of control there.
And it's 40% consistency rather than 20. So when next gen has a free reset sale,
The S&Ps.
it becomes the best direct to funded in the space, which is what makes it so popular. And that's what Prop Square was designed to do, is to find you guys cool shit. Like, they don't pay me to say this. We
Starting
find
to break
this
through a little
by
bit.
doing the numbers. Our guys are a bunch of data
This
guys.
50 area price is huge.
Where you going? Looks like you're going to work out.
Yeah.
Where you
Point
going?
of control just moved to 40 now.
You going to the gym?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Leg day.
Leg day? Show me your best in zone dance. Say like you just scored a goal. What would you do? Are you out of breath? Is it the stairs?
Yeah.
Dude, I ran up the stairs last night and I came into a meeting
Looking
with the
for
team and
sellers to
Brad
take
was like,
control here.
why do you sound like you just ran a marathon? I was like,
Because we're always running.
the stairs.
Yeah. I do legs. Go meet my mom for lunch. Take my off.
And find the control.
Okay. Alright. See you later. Fun.
Interesting. Controlling the 230 now.
Now.
Good slam though.
I should just hand you a
I
bowl
want
or
to see sellers
something.
take full
Maybe that-
control over that
There you
230.
go. It's so funny.
Oh, I forgot. I'm gonna get my nails done.
What? I just got scammed. What?
Starting to know, bro.
What the hell? What the hell? Guys, Chad just got scammed. Oh my god. Now
It's tricky because the point of control is right
hold
there.
on. What about the landscape guy? What's he? Well, he said at the end of the month or something. He said a month out. Okay. Touch base with him if you can, if you remember to. Just to see when. And do you mind for the curtain?
Yeah, they're still wrestling here. A lot of disagreement in price.
Oh, yeah, okay. Alright, text me how much. Just text me the total. Yo, we got one
Oh,
you guys. Down in
Bom,
the
não.
front section too, which is nice. Like great view of the state, great through the game.
Aí sabe.
Like section 102 or
Bom
something
demais.
like that. So we're like on the stadium. Type in free reset, guys. Yeah, on the
Seu pai
stadium.
ficou rico, né?
Ah,
That's a stadium.
quase.
We have seats like
Ouvi dizer isso.
Quase.
Ouvi dizer que você ficou rico, o bagulho foi bom.
20 rows up.
Tá ficando
O bicho
bom.
é só payout pra lá, payout pra cá, e isso vai. Porra.
Acho tipo isso, tá tão desse jeito aí que as plataformas não querem nem deixar, não tá nem pagando eu mais.
We're gonna watch the Netherlands play.
O Gustavo comentou ontem mesmo, deu alguma falha, algum erro.
Canada Morocco is gonna be.
Aí, ó, meti meu trade do dia.
Nossa, que
1032
raiva,
doleta por
velho.
enquanto.
Aí sabe, hein?
Watching the two team, both those
Não, e o povo não responde, velho.
Oh, Canada don't stand a chance.
Olha o Guido aí, caralho. Vamos.
Oxe, ué, vão sair todo mundo?
Tá vivo,
Tem
ô
alguma
vadia?
coisa de errado aí.
I think I'm excited.
Não, se o
Ele
Guido
tava
tá
esperando eu
entrando,
voltar, porra.
se o Guido tá entrando aí é porque alguma coisa deu ruim.
Anyways, so next
Aoba!
Ele tá aqui porque só tem peru, porque se entrar algum negócio diferente aqui, sai.
but when they do it, it's very popular here.
Não, eu tô voltando pra vocês olhar. O pessoal acha que eu tô morto, porque
100%. Okay.
eu já recebi umas 3 mensagens no celular perguntando se eu tô vivo.
Uai, você tem que dar sinal de vida, pô. O povo aqui fica preocupado.
So the code I think is reset.
Mas é amigo, pô. Mas, ô Guido, eu nem senti tua falta que você não tava vindo aqui, porque eu também não tava, pai. Voltei ontem.
Ah, então tá tudo certo.
É, não vi que você não tava vindo. Os caras que me falaram. Aí,
Não,
rapaziada,
é
nós
tá,
que-
dia, né? Fiquei fora um tempo.
Falaram várias coisas. Falaram que tua mulher tinha pegado teu celular. Os caras quatro aí.
Pô,
Estão falando
eu
aí.
já voltei.
What is the total?
Ô, meu amigo, se minha mulher pega meu celular, ela passa mais tempo falando com vocês do que eu. Eu vou me agir que gosta de bater papo com vocês que não aparece.
Agora da Coreia?
Next gen all in is
E se juntar com o P20, pelo amor de Deus, cara.
Não, então não pode juntar com a minha mulher
Aí
também,
junta
não, porque eu vou falar pra
dois
você.
Eu vou falar pra você, hein? Ô povinho pra gostar de falar, hein? Minha
Ai,
mulher, quando se junta com língua de trapo do P20, não cala a boca os dois.
ai, engraçado demais. Ai, ai.
P20 sumiu?
What? Vai
Como
pra
é que
lá.
alguém fala pro P20 se ele não tá aqui?
Conversa com o sócio
Agora,
dele aí.
cacete, da puta, vai, troca de vaga, logo. Pô, me caralho. Cara, Curitiba tá ficando pior que São Paulo pra dirigir, cara. Vai se fuder. Ô, seu pai,
Oi.
esses dias que eu tava resolvendo uns negócios ali e tava conversando com o pessoal aí da tua terra aí. Quase que eu vou morar pra ir trabalhar aí, pertinho de você.
Aham.
Tava conversando, um sponsor entrou em contato comigo pra uma vaga na loja da Under Armour aí na Flórida.
É top.
Daí a gente tava desenrolando. Mas daí acabou não virando muita coisa, porque daí eles queriam lá pro Tennessee, tá ligado? Tennessee
Aham.
não, esqueci o nome do estado lá, só que daí era pra outra coisa lá, outra função.
Tennessee é da hora, mano.
Daí. Não era no Tennessee,
Eu
era no.
entendi.
Baltimore.
Ah, não, aí não. Aí é pauleira.
Você entendeu então, né?
Lá é tipo,
Baltimore é muito sinistro, cara.
lá é tipo Rio de Janeiro.
Aham.
Lá é.
Daí. Eu falei, não, puta. Também aí não dá, né?
Lá é
Daí eles
loucura.
eu queria fazer a documentação pra ir todo mundo junto, né? Só que
Aham.
daí eles tinham com um negócio de urgência, eu teria que ir na frente depois e a mulher e as crianças, daí não rolou.
Mano, Baltimore é a cidade mais perigosa dos Estados Unidos, velho.
Aham. A gente já sabia, mas eu falei, não, né? Largue mão.
Tá certinho.
Tô vendo, tô entrando em contato com o pessoal aí que é sponsor, né?
Aham.
Talvez eu consiga um trampo aí numa farm aí, é perto de você também. Dá 1h20 aí de Orlando.
Top.
Vamos
Topíssimo.
ver o que vai dar. É só encaixar o negócio com o sponsor, quem sabe dê certo. Mas é só pro ano que vem, daí.
Entendeu?
Uma fazenda aí numa cidadezinha aí pertinho, fica entre Tampa e Orlando.
No meio termo.
Aham. Sei que da cidade até Orlando dá 1h20. Da cidade não, do rancho lá, né? Da fazenda até Orlando dá 1h20.
Você já veio pra cá pra passear, não?
Eu não. Eu nunca. Nunca fui nem pro Paraguai.
Que nem eu, então.
Nunca nem saí daqui. O máximo foi viagem aqui dentro. Né? E a mulher já viajou pra fora, mas eu não.
Aham.
Você sabe algum jeito de comprar um chip americano daqui do Brasil?
Comprar o chip americano?
É, porque eu preciso de um número americano e daí não tenho como conseguir daqui, né? Pelo menos não tô achando um jeito.
Rafael, você sabe como é que compra um... Pera aí, a mulher tá no telefone, já pergunto pra ela. Sabe como compra um chip americano no Brasil? Como? Um número.
Future Trader, Ian. Oh, last person wasn't there.
A mulher falou que tem um website que faz isso, ô Guido. Que não é mais chip, né? É só um eSIM. Aí você vai mandar mensagem no teu WhatsApp e tal e vai tirar o número. Ela falou que é um website. Qual website? Eu não sei. Ela falou assim que tem vários. Dá pra comprar por operadores, cara, é 4.
Ah, legal, legal, legal. Não ia ver com um amigo meu pra ele fazer isso aí pra mim, comprar um pra mim, daí ele dá um jeito de.
Não, mas
Ou
você
mandar
mesmo
só um
consegue
número.
aí, ué.
Ah, se dá pra fazer, melhor ainda, entendeu?
É, você mesmo faz direto.
My thoughts on Quad Tower? I've never used Quad Tower, but everyone that I know uses it. They like it. Where can I email you about suggestions about the prop score UI or
Eu estou
UX?
achando calado.
Fala tudo.
Cheguei falando, vocês que não viram.
Eu não vi você não.
Matt at propscore.co or just send me a Discord.
Não
Olha o
escutei não.
Guido aí.
Propscore.co. It's not.
O Gustavo é meu parça, foi o único que se importou de mandar mensagem pra mim.
É, mas nós tava
Ele é
conversando aqui. Nós tava conversando aqui e ele mandou mensagem pra você na hora.
Mandei mensagem, terça-feira.
E você respondeu em 30 segundos.
Congratulations.
Eu respondi na hora eu tava conversando com a minha mulher, apareceu mensagem do Gustavo e falei, opa, deixa eu responder o
Tem
Gustavo
algo mais
aqui.
importante me chamando.
Tô esperando a resposta do Gustavo, tudo bem.
Ele falou assim, isso foi terça de manhã. Ele falou assim, hoje à noite eu apareço aí.
Ah, é.
Até agora nós tava esperando.
Ainda bem que a noite não chegou ainda, né?
Ô Gustavo, eu dormi, cara, eu dormi 6 horas da tarde. Na moral, cara, ultimamente tá muito corrido pra mim, eu tô tão podre cansado, cara, que eu capotei 6 horas da tarde, cara. Acordei só 3 horas da manhã pra trabalhar.
Tá nada não. É que no bear market some todo mundo, né? Eu tive que assumir o Discord aí, né? Você viu, né?
Não, o mais engraçado é que a galera falando, se você ver a galera ali no WhatsApp, o bear market chegou, eu falei, caralho, chegou agora, porra, eu achei que tinha chegado quando caiu do 120 por 100 e do 100 por 80, falei, chegou,
né? Vai fazer um ano que chegou.
Sei não, hein, acho que ainda tem espaço pra cair mais um pouco.
Deus me livre.
Eu ainda acho que tem espaço pra cair mais um pouquinho.
Eu também acho que esse repique agora é frição aí desse payroll e depois, tchau, vai lá nos 50 de novo.
Também acho. Chegar lá nos 50, sair comprando, cara. Sair comprando, que daí vai ser uma beleza. Daí segura, que se bater no 100, 120 de novo, rapaz.
Ô seu pai, como é que o pessoal encarou? Como é que o pessoal encarou o resultado do payroll aí?
Ah, eu não sei não, Zé. Eu não sigo muito essas coisas, não. Não sei muito da.
Não, mas o Rips, os caras, eles não falaram nada?
Só o Matt que. Não, o Rips tá. O Rips é um cuzão. Eu só tava vendo o Matt que ele comentou, mas não falou nada sobre, não.
Ah, então?
Não, o Rips eu não sei nem como é que os outros assistem a live dele, pra te falar a verdade. Que graça tem, né, pra você ver.
Só é engraçado que ele tá perdendo dinheiro e ele fica, não que insistir.
Não, ele tá tomando taca lá com certeza e não tá falando no ar.
Tá quieto,
Já saiu o payroll, então? Deixa eu ver aqui.
Já.
Saiu
E aí,
cedo.
Guidão? Como é que você tá, Guido?
O Igor Mundistock tava ao vivo aí, mas é chato demais o Igor. Eu nem.
É louco, chato pra caralho. No farm payroll, 57k. Esperar. Nossa, 110? É. Folha de pagamento pequena aí do emprego. Isso aqui é bom, viu, para ativos.
Então, aí subiu, né? Aí subiu. Aí agora eles estão querendo ver se é temporário, se volta a cair tudo. Porra, é essa?
O controle do ar? Eu vou lá agora.
Vou armar um short aqui nessa parada. Nossa, o mês passado pro Bitcoin terminou terrível também.
Check, check. Y'all can hear me now. Okay, hold on. It's my speakers. All right. Let me see if I can hear myself now.
Ó, agora tá descendo.
A little bit of a rejection there.
Ah, pô, espera aí, Bitcoin.
All right.
Nvidia still on
guys.
doji.
Giveaway's over.
Aí,
We're
pô.
done.
Foi
Yeah,
só.
my computer's like blue screen of death out
Já
of
abri minha
nowhere.
conta aqui.
Just literally just complete blue
Só
screen.
foi o Daniel pensar que abriu um short e o negócio foi.
Man, I've been having like
Yeah.
major tech issues the last couple.
Calma aí,
Sim,
cara.
We're back though. All right, giveaways
Não,
over
mas
for
tem que
now. We got
ela-
Tradify in a little bit.
Ela vai testar esse Fair Value Gap que ela deixou aqui em cima no 63446.
That I see. And that will bring
63420
another liquidity low
aqui.
75.80 in
Eu acho que ele testa esse Fair Value Gap antes de voltar a cair.
All right, more liquidity pocket goodness.
Isso
Should
aqui
I
atrás,
play
ó.
this? Where can I still trade?
Ele já fechou o Fair Value Gap
Everything else is
do
maxed out.
620 alguma coisa.
What about you?
Já veio
Let's
aqui em
just see.
cima.
Let's just test. I'm gonna throw micros.
Fechou esse
Randomly,
gap.
just
Aí
to
ele
see
vem
what I
aqui em
can
cima,
trade.
fecha o outro e aí termina
Nope,
de
they're
descer.
maxed.
Eu vou deixar uma ordem de short aqui no
If
63,
it rejects the order, you're maxed. Oh, you're not
63,
maxed. Okay.
450.
You're not maxed. Okay, so I found one that isn't maxed. Okay,
Oh,
let's
gosh.
find it.
O Mesh tá com as
Everything else is
15
maxed out,
contas,
huh?
todas elas tá
Yep,
max.
so I only have one
Tá
thing I
no
can
máximo,
trade.
não pode fazer mais
Let me get
dinheiro.
it for y'all real quick. This one. Oh, this is this
Caralho.
one. Okay, cool,
Ele tá
perfect.
procurando
Yeah, so this
conta
is
pra
the only one
poder
that's not
tradar, porque
maxed out.
todas
Every single
elas
one
tá
of my other
maxed out.
accounts is maxed out. I was just throwing long
Falou
micros.
tudo.
This isn't. I'm not seriously trying to make a trade here, but I
Ó,
was
o
just.
homem é brabo, hein?
Like,
Doideira.
it's so hard to know which ones are maxed out. They're all different targets because the one thing that's hard about managing in
Vou
Blue
fazer um
Sky
2 para 1 aqui, hein?
is the extra phase. I
Eu
have to get used to it
acredito.
because all of my
2 para 1
accounts
no
are all
short.
different
Vamos ver
targets.
se vai
All of
rolar.
them are maxed out with the exception of this one. And so like stage 2, so I'm trading orbits and launches. And each one of them has 3 stages. So that's a total of 6 different profit
Oh
targets. that are
no,
different.
Patricia.
So this one is the only one that
Oh,
can still
no.
make money, and this is this one needs to make. So all my other ones are actually fully maxed out. So this one needs to make 1750.
Aí, ó.
Oh, wait.
Marquei aqui num
I literally was like right on the edge of 1750. Are you kidding me?
62, 450, eu tô cortando.
Okay. Oh, this one was already on the edge.
Oh,
then, I
voltei.
guess. All right, let's trade a half gap
Oxe,
positive
ninguém
res.
nem
Let's
sentiu
add
falta.
one more micro here. And then I'll just trade for
Mas
one
passei um
pocket,
mês
and then
fora,
if
isso
it
que
dips,
tava
I'll make that other
morrendo.
trade I told you guys I was going to do
É só
earlier.
lembrar que até o Guido voltou.
Então,
This needs to make 1750.
tá revivendo o
and it should step
grupo.
out on its own.
Pô, no meu comentário sobre o
This is
payroll que eu tava falando aqui,
0511.
payroll veio
0511.
fraco, ou seja, folha de pagamento
wait, that's
metade,
hold on.
bem abaixo do esperado, que era 110 mil, tem
Oh, no, not
57 mil.
1750, not 1750.
Isso é bom pra quê? Isso é bom pra possível corte
That
de
account
juros.
needs to make 3,000. Okay.
Só que
I was
do
like,
outro
okay, why
lado
didn't
tem uma
it stop at
inflação
1750?
persistente
This one needs to
também,
make
então tá tipo
3,000 today.
uma gangorra,
So that's the
né?
only one that I
Uma
haven't maxed out
que
on.
pede elevação de juros, outra que pede corte de juros. Então o
Wait,
mercado vai ficar
muted?
meio
No, I'm not
confuso com
muted,
isso.
am I?
Não é uma direção só, sabe?
You're muted. I'm not muted, you're muted.
Vamos ver o
Where's
que
my
vai dar
ad?
aí.
No, it's just along from
Estranho
here.
esse payroll.
And my
Mas
ad is down
de
here. The one I
princípio
told you about
parece que o
earlier
mercado
today.
teria. Nasdaq já tá virando pra baixo de novo.
Again, these
Vai
megaphone day, it's always gonna be like
Também.
this. S&P hit upper DD band as well. Could be
Tô
some
vendo
selling
tipo
pressure.
aqui.
Like I said, just grab 2 micros in the middle. I'm gonna do the same trade I did earlier. Same exact trade. Hold through it. Resilience is nice and fine. It's very close to 50, which we like to see. So it could open and have some support here. Trading through the pockets, always a good scalp. You can see, let's count how many times it actually worked today. Look, 1, 2, I guess 2.5. Let's count that as 3. 4, 4.5, 5. This candle was
É,
6.
o Bitcoin tá
This
virando pra
candle
baixo
was
nos
7.
61
See how
pila,
the
né? Quase
pocket is just
62.
trying. It's like you can scout this all day long. 40
Caralho, filha
points
da
up and
puta
down.
de um Bitcoin maldito, velho. Ele estopou, cara.
Good shit, guys.
Tava alongado lá embaixo, cara.
Is Slacks working today? You should be.
Porra, desgraçado. Tava 58,390.
What is BOFA? Bank of America? Are you asking like what is Bank of America? It's a bank.
I'm on fire.
What about it? Got him. I ain't gonna say both of these
Ele
nuts.
quer dar uma decidinha
You think I was
mesmo.
born yesterday? You think I was born yesterday? I Bank of America'd you, bro. Oh, I know. You think I don't know? Did y'all watch did y'all watch the new Game of Thrones? House of the Dragon, Dragon D's nuts across your mouth. What's up? No, I was born yesterday, guys. Come on. You think you can out BS the BSer? No. No, you can't. You can't. Ooh, that matcha's good. Can't BS the BSer, guys. The sound is way off. Can you turn down the 4 TT in OBS? Wait, what?
NVIDIA balancing
4
the
TT. What is that?
Pega, Guido.
Vai,
Yeah,
treva.
sound is off. Test, test, test.
É, deu um acidente lá na frente, por isso que tá
Microsoft
tudo
still
parado
strong,
essa merda aqui.
4
Tesla
watt?
very
I don't
weak.
understand what you're talking
Ainda
about.
tem que sair da frente das ambulâncias.
Não, eles entram na.
Are you trying to D's nuts me again? No, I feel like I'm walking right
A
into
lot of
it.
liquidity here.
All right.
Likely to be drawn
You
at
got
50.
me. Just throw it in. What's I know it. Where's the punchline? Did I walk into it? Did you BS me? Did you BS the BSer?
Treta, né?
I feel like I'm gonna say
Jesus,
what's
eh?
the 4 watt and then there's something
Having
a
trouble.
nuts joke coming out of it.
NVIDIA back at VWAP.
É o
Are
derretes.
you nutsing
É
me?
o
Are you D's nutsing me?
derretes.
All right, so here we go. This is the big layup, right? So this is the micros went down a little bit. So let's hit it at MHP. So what I'm gonna do, it's falling pretty violently. So let's build right into
30,000
position. Watch this, watch this, watch this.
Porra, que
I'm gonna demonstrate. We're close. I like that exhaustion candle with the high
ela
volume.
deixou a passagem muito curta, que foda.
Pretty gnarly. Let's get bigger. When those candles get bigger and bigger, let's wait. Let's let it tap. Let's let it hit and overshoot.
Still unwinding.
So a couple more micros here. Now we're
At
gonna
the 50.
switch to minis on the other side of it and build in. Now again, like I said, I'm still up for the day. I went
Watching for
from
the 50
2
to hold.
micros now to 5 micros, and then let's let it rip. Now on the overshoot,
Riz
looks
vai
like
ter
the
um
biggest
ataque
one
na
of the
live
candle. I'm
dele.
gonna have to
If he's
allow
breaking.
myself 38, 100 points of overshoot. So
Nossa,
5 micros.
Mas ele não toma um ataque lá.
tá respirando por
every
aparelhos.
100 points is
Oi,
2,000 is
Tá perdendo
200.
quanto?
So I'll be down
sei
in
não, ele não tá mostrando, mas o
$1,000 if it
bichinho tá
overshoots
passando
100
mal.
points.
Saiu. Nossa, olha lá.
Watch this.
Ele fez um. Olha lá a respiração.
So
We are working.
839.
Mano,
Holy shit, the overshoot
mas ele
is
fez
all
dinheiro,
over
viu?
this. Okay, so this is a great
Somebody asked
setup.
if I'm trading
I'm
today.
cool with this.
Olha lá, vai mostrar. Nossa!
I'm just
I'm
watching.
wrong. On my second ad.
Nossa.
So almost all the way down to 839 is the allowed overshoot that we can have
Acertou
on this
na
one. A
veia.
candle
Você
like
consegue
this,
assistir
it
minha
falls
live
like
aí,
an
ô
overshoot like
Custódio?
that.
Eu tô assistindo a dele, tô assistindo a dele.
Okay, so let's wait a minute. I just do a little
Mas
few more micros that
você
are
viu
lower
o
overshoot,
tanto de trade que ele fez?
Não, não, eu tô vendo o quê?
though.
Tô vendo a
let's keep it
setinha, um
holding
monte.
slow, right?
A respiração que ele deu a hora que ele saiu da trade.
Eu vi.
Mano.
Yeah, I blew it.
Cudião, hein?
It's like.
Ah, agora ele ri,
really,
né?
dude.
Cusão.
Agora ele tá feliz.
Se ele tivesse dado merda, ele tava triste.
What a day. God bless these markets. What a fucking gift it is. Day like today,
Derretas
man.
do derretas mesmo.
I love this job, guys. I love this job.
Olha lá, agora eu tô
I
felizão.
fucking love this job. Oh,
Ele vai sortear um monte de coisa.
It's just the
Vai,
greatest
bosta
job on the
nenhuma.
planet Earth. Let me see what my heart rate's on.
Olha lá,
I'm
vai checar o
pretty-
coração
I'm trying to
dele.
keep it down. I'm pretty calm.
Rapaz, ele tá sem ar.
I gotta do my fucking journal. Whatever. I'm over it.
Olha lá.
Tá, volta aí. Ô, Gustavo, depois me passa o valor então, beleza?
Beleza.
God damn,
Fica
dude.
comigo.
Patience, baby. Patience.
Valeu.
Scalp, scalp, scalp. Massive unwind.
Ah, detalhe, vou conseguir te depositar isso depois do dia 10, que é
Fucking
quando eu recebo
beautiful,
comissão, tá?
Não, esquenta não, velho. Não sei se até dia 10 eu vou no correio.
Ah, então tá tranquilo. já volto aí, galera. Deixa eu responder o cliente aqui, eu tenho que ligar pra ele. Valeu.
Falou.
I mean, Ripsy Reversal is intact, I'm not gonna lie. It's crazy. Oh, man.
All right, guys. Hey, Matt, did the bootcamp
Shout
last
out
week and
to
open
the
all the
4,000
websites
of
that you
you that
mentioned
are
the next day?
bearing witness
Started
to
giving me all
today.
kind of performance issues and closed the web browser. What are you talking about? What websites?
I'm watching ES, yeah.
I didn't mention any websites. What are you talking about?
So
Did
I
you
could
buy
put
the
on
boot
size
camp
on
from the
ES if I
wrong
wanted to.
guy?
I could have shorted ES in there too, but I didn't.
Wait, did you go buy a boot camp from like some fake mats and you messaged in Discord? I don't give you any websites to open up. What are you talking about? Did you buy it from Slightly
Pay
Fatter
those
Matt?
under, sure.
Which websites are you talking? That doesn't sound like you bought the right thing, brother. The only websites I think I tell you
It's
guys
free,
about are
by
like
the way. This is free.
investing.com or the CME website. Oh boy.
This is free, dude.
Did you
It's
give
crazy.
that website any of your crypto, did you?
Just saying. Doesn't matter what I made, right? Doesn't matter. I gave you clear comms the whole time. It's like, dude, if you pulled up to a desk at a pro trading
I
house
think it's time.
and you got to sit next to somebody who's scalping the market all day for the last
We got to play the song.
hour of the market, it's the same thing.
He's back.
Like I'm literally talking you through every single thing that's going.
Oh boy. He's back. He's back. We have a song about that guy. You want you to buy Sledge Fester. So here, I'm gonna allow overshoot down to zone, by the way. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hold the 5 micros here, $1,000 overshoot, and I will actually stage in. How much does this one have in buffer? It's got 3,000 loose. Yeah, that's fine. I can go all or nothing on this one. I'll put 1 mini on each one of these pivots here. So I got 2 micros, 3 more micros. You guys see how I play this volatile range? It's very simple. Look, it's manageable. I'm not guessing direction. I'm just playing the range. 2 micros, 3 micros, 1 mini. 1 mini. Did you buy Sledge Fester? From the Slightly Fatter Matt. Y'all don't know this came from the last song contest we had.
E aí?
É.
E qual a boa?
A de sempre.
Aquele teu payoutzinho foi na Lucidinho?
Foi.
So this is the
delícia, hein,
guy that
papai?
Eu
makes
fiz
the
um na
Discord
Lucid, eu fiz
that
um
is,
na Fantasy, amanhã
that is
tem
not
outra na
really me, but it's
Lucid.
somebody pretending to be me. So they did this
Ô,
thing that
papai,
was
tá
like,
debulhando, hein?
Então, se vocês não tivessem travado a minha conta lá, eu já tinha sacado
I
uns
don't know.
dois na Fantasy, mas eu não
I don't know
consigo
where
sacar.
the image is, but
Caralho. Bem,
is cat
e qual
active?
estratégia você tá usando aí, pai? Tá operando na abertura, tá operando fora?
Os dois, mano.
250.
Pra te falar a verdade, os dois, mas. Eu não sei que estratégia que eu tô usando, não. Tô vendo só os 5 minutos.
Yeah,
Espero
maybe
escolher um
3000.
lado. Deixo dar uma puxada pra cima e acompanho o trend.
Né? Isso aí que eu tava fazendo
what's
também.
E geralmente,
Vai ser uma
quando.
agressãozinha, vai a favor dela, né?
Quer dizer, e eu tô assistindo muito match também, mano. O match é muito cabeça, sabe?
980 is a cat. Yeah, good job. Good, yeah.
Aham.
Eu assistindo ele, mano. O bichinho é foda, velho.
velho.
E quando não vai do meu lado, eu vejo que não tá tendo muita pressão, adiciono. E outra, eu não tô segurando muito, não.
Close to 1000.
Não precisa, né, pai?
Oi?
Não precisa, né?
Eu faço um pouco ali, faço 500. Segunda-feira que eu acertei a mão. Segunda-feira, na segunda eu passei a conta que eu precisava de 35%, $500. Eu fiz na noite, na madrugada, aí eu não podia ativar a conta. Aí eu pude só ativar a conta de manhã, na terça de manhã. Aí ativei a conta na terça de manhã, fiz 1.600. Depois que eu ativei, já podia sacar, aí só que só podia sacar no final do dia. Aí podia sacar no final do dia, a hora que chegou no final do dia eu fui fazer o setup lá pra me tirar e sei lá, eles têm sei lá, eu não sei como é que fala em português, mas seria um third party. Tipo assim, eles contratam uma pessoa pra fazer o payout, aí eu não consigo fazer a minha conta lá por nada. Aí travou tudo, entrei em contato com eles, falou que ia responder, não respondeu, não arrumou, tá lá travado e eu não consigo nem sacar e nem mexer na conta.
Puta, tá de brincadeira. Em qual é essa?
A Fantasy.
Which is really nice.
E você tá
So I'm
pegando
just
mesmo
playing
de
the
tamanho?
range.
Menor,
I'm letting it be
25,
volatile,
tudo
I'm letting
25.
it megaphone like we're used to
Pô,
seeing.
mas que legal, hein?
And then just playing this
Top
bigger
isso.
range
Parabéns,
here, right? Nothing too bad.
seu pai. Muito bom mesmo. Parabéns.
Parece que
And
tá
I'm holding
funcionando.
through
E
it. It's
amanhã eu
crazy,
preciso
Matt.
fazer
You're holding
$100 pra
through
tirar
hundreds
mais
of
1.000 na Lucid.
2 micros. I severely reduced my position just to play the range. So now I got a 3-stage entry.
E o bom da Fantasy, você pode fazer 500 por dia e sacar por dia, diariamente. Só que eu não consigo sacar nada, então não adianta nada, né?
Like if we fall down here
Então não
to
tem
the-
dia
to the
mínimo
lower
de
zone,
payout da Fantasy depois que você passa.
bear zone and D-bear, this is the
não entendi.
strongest of the strong.
Não,
I'm gonna
tem.
hit
Não
this
tem dia
over
mínimo pra
really
payout.
hard
Não,
right there.
tem, mas é diário, né?
Oh, yeah, and the
O mínimo
COT,
que
I
você pode
guess.
sacar é
Yeah, that's right.
250 e o máximo é 500. Mas é
I added
diário.
3 micros
Aí você
at
pode
this cluster.
sacar
So the way that I like to
diariamente.
look at this is I find clusters of pivots, okay?
Pode crer.
So
Que legal,
a good
velho.
cluster
Parabéns,
would be
viu?
like liquidity pockets cluster, right?
Parece
massa.
This is
que virou,
all
mano.
kind of
E eu tô
scalp, so
usando
you
só
do this
5
all
micro
into
também,
scalp from
mano.
here to here, scalp from
5
here to here,
micro,
scalp
5
from, there to
micro. E
there,
agora que
whatever.
eu tô precisando.
Second
Que eu tô precisando,
cluster
que eu preciso
is
fazer só 100 pra
buying
mim
at the
sacar
open with
amanhã. Eu tô
positive
usando
res,
2,
which is what I
3.
did.
Não precisa.
Support
Aí não é.
is all right
Nem
here.
pensar.
And then support is all right here. So I like to play at
Tudo
my
que support
clusters.
reduz a mão
That's
mesmo,
it.
melhor
I play
coisa.
all of them.
Mas tá parecendo,
And usually
não
I'll
parece
just
nem
scalp
verdade,
and
pra te falar a
stop and
verdade
scalp
pra você
and
ver.
stop, but because it's a megaphone day, I just buy
Ó, até que nós sofre com essa
small,
desgrama aqui.
big, and
Começar a
I just
funcionar,
buy
pelo-
range, and if it
começa
breaks
a
out and
funcionar, você
crashes
não
today,
nem
and
acredita.
I lose, I only
Tu já
lose
não.
one account.
Tu sacou o
out
quê?
of
$900, não foi na primeira?
So I
Eu
don't even
saquei
care,
900,
right? It's
agora
like
tem mais
spreading out my
500
bet,
lá no
spreading out my
Fantasy que eu
risk like
posso
this. It's
sacar.
good. And so
Só
a
que eu
lot
não
of
consigo
traders like
sacar.
chasing
E
the long
amanhã se eu
got
fazer
squeezed out.
100, eu
Traders
saco
chasing the
1.000.
short are gonna get squeezed out. What I'm doing is
Pô,
I'm
mas então já
playing
pagou
the
todas as mesas que você comprou aí,
range
né?
Já,
and just
já.
letting the odds work in my
Aí,
favor.
pai, tá
And I got a
lindo. É
bunch
isso
of
aí, é investimento.
Depois dessa semana aqui, o
clusters
que
here.
vinha é lucro.
Like I said, we got
E depois
setup
que,
here.
e depois
So
que eu
my
tô
first
sacando,
trade
eu tô
is
comprando uma conta. Que
2
eu
micros here.
saquei da
My next
Lucid e eu
trade is
comprei a
3
Fantasy.
micros here.
Aí se eu tivesse
And my
sacado
next trade
da
is 10
Fantasy, eu ia
more
comprar
there
mais
and 10
uma.
more there. So you guys, you
Vou
understand
comprar
what
uma em
I'm
cada
doing,
E vai
conta
deixar
só pra
postar um
mim.
telinho nele.
Eu vou
Executive
comprar uma em
activation
cada
code, not right now, but
plataforma pra
usually
mim
if you wait a
arrancar
week or
todo o
so,
dinheiro que eles arrancou de
they
mim.
usually have an activation code sale.
Porra, que
Other than that, just use
maravilha.
their standard.
Que maravilha. Que
When they have NVIDIA crashed
beleza.
your MHP, yeah, it certainly did, but it's now back
Vamos ver, eu
above it
recomecei
according
ontem,
to our
papai. Recomecei ontem.
Top.
according to
Mas
our
que nem eu sei, ó, é
table
que
here.
na segunda-feira eu fiz
NVIDIA fell
muito
to
dinheiro
MHP, but
também,
it's
mas
now. Oh, I'm
eu
sorry,
não
no,
consigo.
my bad,
Quer
my bad.
dizer,
It opened below
sei
it,
lá.
so it's still below
Mas
it.
você
My
faz
bad, this is a
dinheiro
down
por
arrow.
posse por dia. Você faz
Not
1000
up arrow.
conto por dia. Tipo, se eu fizesse 1000 conto por dia, eu parava na
Yeah, so
hora.
NVIDIA rallied up and
Que
then
nem hoje
slammed
mesmo, ó.
all the way back
Ontem
down.
de noite eu fiz
So
135.
everyone
Posso fazer
understands what
mais?
I'm trying to
Posso,
do,
mas
right?
eu não preciso.
Yeah, it's
E
like
que eu vou
this is
arriscar
like when
sacar
you're
um
when it's
dinheiro
a
amanhã
range day, you're
pra
just sort
fazer
of
mais,
martingaling
sei
at the
lá,
level.
mais
So
100
that's not
dólares
really
que não vai mudar nada,
martingale, but you
entendeu?
understand the principle.
Também
You got,
é que eu tô
you
na
got bull
fase
cluster,
ainda
bull cluster,
antes
bull
de
cluster.
virar
And if I
funded, né?
if I
Então na
dominate
funded a minha
all of this,
estratégia
this
é
account takes a time
40%
loss.
de
And so
consistência,
the idea is
é
this is a
1.200 por dia.
90%er.
Ontem à noite eu fiz $800.
And
Aí eu
Aí,
tava deitado na
90%ers,
cama, eu
right? So
falei,
I'm
vou
gonna take
fechar
all
esses
of them. I'm
1.200
just gonna
hoje.
make sure
Pam,
I
perdi
trade
250, fui pra
volatile
500
ranges.
e
My first
pouquinho.
entry can be
aham.
small.
Aí eu falei,
and then
chega,
move
amanhã eu
up.
volto. Aí agora eu acabei de bater 500 e
My
pouco
second entry is
na
slightly
abertura.
bigger, and then my
Aí que eu fechei esses
main entry is the
1.032.
third
Ainda tem
pivot.
mais
Falling
170 pra
through
fazer hoje, né?
3
Pra
Então,
manter a
mas
consistência.
will be
eu
Manter a
não faria.
consistência.
And if it
Eu
is, then
segurava
I
pra
just take a
amanhã.
casualty in one account.
Eu
I
te
only do
entendo.
this DCA
Eu te
Sim.
entendo,
when
eu
the
te
market
entendo,
is like
mas.
this.
Mas depois que eu passar, seu pai, a
Alligator
estratégia
mouth,
vai ser
open up.
outra.
E
Porque
outra
daí
coisa.
eu
When
tô
it's wider and
na.
wider like this,
Diga.
just play
Eu,
small in the middle and then play big on the edges.
esqueci o que eu ia falar.
It's called, yeah, dollar
Eu tô
cost
pegando
averaging. And
conta
I employ this
menorzinha de
kind of strategy
25
on
porque eu não
non-trading
tenho
days.
estômago ainda pra
I'm
fazer.
just betting that it doesn't break out, that doesn't crash out.
Pra fazer o de 50,
So
entendeu?
in this like this,
Aham.
I'd like to trade near the bottom to bring it back to the
E
middle, at
quantos,
the top to bring it
quantos
back to the
micro,
middle.
mini você
And I
usa?
just
Você
spread out.
faz?
I spread out a
Cinco.
wider, kind of
Cinco?
Uso
stronger bet
5.
around the edges.
Entendeu? Aí
5
eu
micro,
acho.
né?
Of the
Só
higher
que,
highs and lower
só que se eu
lows.
for pra
So
funded,
like
eu vou
this
baixar
one,
a
if we
mão.
break session
Eu
lows,
Eu já
já,
decidi isso daí.
29.
eu já
Not a
faria
big deal. See,
diferente. Eu tava
the
com a de
position
50,
size is managed to
É.
a point where I said right
que
about
nem a
here I'd
de
be down just
25,
about
eu tô
1,000,
usando
give or
5
take.
micro. Eu acho que se eu fosse pra
And
50,
I'm only
eu ia
down
usar um
500
mini
so far.
e usar um mini só, entendeu?
1,000 on this
Mas,
actual trade.
Não, mas não precisa,
But
pai. Não precisa.
overall, I'm
5
still
já
up
é
for
muito
the day.
agressivo.
então,
E outra,
So
quando eu
if it
passar pra
falls another
funded
60
aqui, eu já vou
points,
reduzir. Vou usar
I can
2, no
scalp into this
máximo
one as well.
3,
And
porque
like I said,
Você
I'm
não
just
acha?
I'm just
tem aquela
calculating that it's a
meta
range day.
de
Você não acha?
150 dólares por
S&P is
dia,
certainly
né?
holding pivots with all good
E se você
confluences.
não acha que se você fazendo
Um,
isso, você faz uns dias
I just
bom,
want to
mas aí
demonstrate
do
this
nada
trade
você
right
dá uma
now
tiltada aí
with you guys.
e vai tudo pro
Scout
saco.
has $3,000
Mas
of
imagina se fazer com 10,
buffer in
então,
it, so
pai.
we're
A
good.
tiltada vai ser.
Catline on ES, not even close
É,
to it. It's about 60 points, I think. So all the way down to like here.
tem um ponto.
So let's let Nasdaq fuck around. Let him get all the way down to the pivot, though.
O
So
match
remember,
mesmo,
I'm
o
about 100
match,
points of full
o match
overshoot.
eu falar pra você, de 5
All right.
dias,
There's the
um
pocket.
dia ele erra
There's the overshoot.
a
There's the yellow.
abertura.
Come on, get a little lower. A little
Pois
lower.
é,
There we
né?
go.
Ele
Um
manda
dia.
bem pra caralho.
É. E outra
And one
coisa
more.
também,
And if we get
que
the
dia
next
que foi?
minute
Acho
and
que
it
foi
just dumps
na
from here, then it dumps from
terça-feira.
here.
O mercado deu uma,
That's okay. I'm
uma
still kind of green
derretida
for
assim.
greenish almost for
Aí
the
eu
day.
não ia entrar não. Aí ele
We'll
pegou e
see.
falou assim,
Hold
ó,
on.
quando é aqui assim, é um que eu compraria pra dar uma
Nope, now I'm
puxada
red.
pra
Okay,
cima.
now I'm at the
Aí eu
bottom.
falei assim,
Now I'm
mano,
in the overshoot
vou
here.
entrar.
And if it doesn't work,
Entrei.
then
No que eu
one
entrei,
casualty
deu uma
here.
puxada pra cima
I
assim
don't
e
do
deu
this
mais
with
uma
all my accounts,
derretida.
by
Ele
the
falou, não,
way.
vou...
I'm just doing this
Aí
with
ele
one
pegou e falou,
account.
não, vou entrar. Aí eu peguei e
And I'm gonna let
aumentei.
it pop a
Ah,
little
deu uma
overshoot here.
puxada pra cima. Se eu fiz 800 conto e saí na
That's
hora.
really solid. So
Que
if this pivot
delícia.
doesn't work,
Que delícia. Que beleza.
Mas o que me ajudou
Dele.
muito, o que me
let
ajudou
me not
muito
do
mesmo
two.
foi
I'm just
assistir a
gonna do
live
the
dele,
one.
mano.
Actually, I
Assisti
decided I'm
ele.
just gonna do the one. Two is too steep.
Literalmente, velho. Não posso mentir, não.
Okay, now we wait. And if I lose one eval, then I lose one eval. This is also the eval stage still.
Yeah,
Crazy.
that was a 400 point.
Que nem agora lá,
I
ó.
don't need to make a lot, so
Tá
I
no
don't need to get into that.
derretes.
Actually, I'm not
Tá
gonna
no
do a second
derrete,
entry here. I'm just
derretendo.
gonna
Ele
do
pegou e
that
tá
one.
comprado. E ele
What
tá
a
só
bribe.
aumentando a
First
mão,
winner.
vamos ver.
This is actually
Where's
eval
the
stage too, by
moon?
the
Is
way.
the winner? Congratulations. I don't know where the moon is.
If market
Where's the
crashes,
moon?
But I'll tell you right right now
Mas
it
só
doesn't
que ela
rotate
se
around
vê
the
tá
flat
com
Earth.
3,
I know that.
6,
Wait,
10
you're
conta
right
na
now?
tela, tudo
Live
verde
stream,
e tá
150K,
tomando
like,
taca
8%
numa
of
lá.
days closed below
Give
here,
lightning
but
round here.
it's been
Eu acho a
fun.
live
We've
dele
been over
difícil
Low
de
here.
key, to
entender,
give
cara.
the
Esse monte
US
de
a little
coisa
bit
na
of some
tela.
good luck.
Como
Não,
não tem
mas
laser.
então, mas depois que você começa a assistir por um tempo, você começa a entender, mano. Aquele negócio que tá na tela lá é a plataforma dele, que mostra
They're
os
fat with the
que
PAs.
mostra os
I know that's right.
Os indicadores e tudo,
Did you
entendeu?
see,
Cada linha daquela,
where
aquela amarela,
Americans,
roxa, os
how the
caras
fuck was
quatro
it,
lá,
like
é
AOL
tudo uma
or
linha e é
AIM or whatever
a
the hell
plataforma dele que ele
username
vende,
from
sabe?
2000s or whatever.
Então,
Her name was Fat
você começa a
Shoddy
assistir,
69.
você começa a
No, it
assistir
wasn't.
bastante, você começa a
Wait,
meio que
maybe it was
entender.
69. Wait, was it?
No,
I
it
don't know. Mary, were you
wasn't,
watching?
No, I think it was 89.
Oh, 89. Yeah, it's Fat
Yeah.
Shoddy 89.
Fat shoddy.
Essa conta que ele tá tomando taco, ele tá com um contrato só, né?
Mano, ele entrou com
Hey,
3
fat
lá em
shoddy.
cima, derreteu um pouco, ele entrou,
You know I
não,
have
ele
next
entrou
time I
com
see her, I have to
2
call her fat
micros,
shoddy.
derreteu, ele adicionou mais 3, e a hora que chegou na linha amarela ali, ele botou mais,
Marion was
Yeah,
never
I got
fat.
him. I got
She
him.
was
acho que
never
mais
fat, though.
5.
She was a power.
I mean, I got the first
Agora
one.
tá
You picked the
esperando
second one
voltar.
already?
Aí, ó, lá nas linhas lá mostra, ó.
PH,
Tem a
it's
linha
fat.
do
No,
Bear
it's
Zone,
like
tem o DDD, que eu não sei o
Oh,
que
It's
que
not
é.
fat.
Tem o
It's just a fat.
MHP, esse é MHP, eu acho que ele perguntou pra mim o que
Second
que era,
one.
né? Ele falou
Inicio
ontem, é
AG.
Month,
Holy shit.
Oh,
Month,
Inicio. Inicio, congrats, legend.
Hunt,
He's
alguma
one of our
coisa, sei lá.
true OGs.
Let's
Mas,
go,
a hora que baixa
Inicio.
naquele
He
MHP
deserves
lá,
it. He
mano,
really deserves
mano,
it.
muito
He's
difícil de não
always here,
ir pro
every
lado
single
do,
day.
Hell yeah.
pro lado que
I
eles
love
falam lá.
Did anyone catch that midline break for 200 points or what?
Mas vamos
Ele
ver,
vai
tá
descascar
comprado,
esse
vamos
cara.
ver. Mas eu acho que vai derreter mais ainda.
That's nuts. I just can't believe how much.
O Bitcoin bateu quase nos 62.200 e tá voltando com força também.
Tá tudo voltando.
Still hold 30.3%.
That's insane.
I'm waiting on my Tradify live accounts to get set up, and I'm still designating one of them the full send at the open every single day. So Godspeed to that one, and Godspeed to my risk manager.
Saúde.
Amém.
Mariah, I'm sorry for you. She's gonna see my trades and be like, "Who the hell is this guy trading?"
Well.
Stop spamming, brother. They're trying to win free shit. What do you mean stop spamming? Quit spamming the chat, brother. Trying to get some breach.
Fala pra você ver aí,
Took it
ele
at
vai
the break of
explicando.
30,200. Good shit.
10 here for a total of 15.
Wow. So a smooth 400 points for you, dog. Nice job.
So we'll see if it holds. See how it's trying to hold? And the fact that I picked the right places is also a rocket scooter.
A gente precisa de verdade melhorar o inglês urgentemente.
Right spot.
Mas vocês falam isso, mas vocês assistem o Rips lá o dia todo? E o Rips só fala abobrinha, mano. O Rips só fala coisa do rabo dele. Agora o Matt não, mano. O Matt meio que tá realmente tentando ensinar.
Mas o meu inglês é ruim. Que é o problema. A tela dele também é ruim.
I can add at the right places. You can't just like
Mas eu vou
loosely martingale.
Não, mas só de você ouvir. E outra, não vou mentir pra você não. Fala pra você, é mais fácil assistir ele do que o
trading from the right place, then that's the best way to go.
Se vocês soubessem o tanto que o Rips zoa, sarcástico, xinga os outros, vocês iam. Assiste o match pra você ver uma semana pra você ver, mano.
Which is 50% consistency, I think, on phase 2. I need to make $3,000.
Porra, tá na hora de buscar moleque já, velho. Não vejo a hora de começar essas férias.
Website again?
Amanhã é o último dia, hein? Hoje é amanhã e acabou.
Aí depois começa a farra.
Mas é 15 dias só, né? É diferente dos Estados Unidos, né? Aí no meio do ano as férias é bem rápido.
Ah, é só 15 dias
Mês que vem aí que eu consigo conversar melhor com você. Agora eu não consigo ficar na internet.
Bom dia, tudo bem com a senhora?
DD is still, DD is still very high, so hopefully this holds and the pocket holds, so it should be nice. We do have yellow lines, so be careful. If we do lose this 831 level, it can blast out pretty lower. So far it's trying to rescue, this little area here, but we'll see. Nasdaq likes to get funky on these edges, and it can overshoot pretty big. But you can see how, like, even though I'm taking stabs, and even if I'm wrong from the right place every time, which is what makes sense. It's trying to hold, and it's looking like it wants to. But that selling's pretty gnarly. Time for a whoosh fan, guys. Let's whoosh it. Watch it stop me and then go, right? It happens a lot. To reset this damn eval. Actually, I don't care to reset this one because I have enough of them already. I'll save the money. I don't think I need to buy anymore. Yeah, that one's probably gonna die. Yeah, it stopped me. Okay, so I'm out. But if it does reclaim, I'd get back in. That's just one eval. So at the end of the day, that's just one casualty, and that was an eval orbit. That wasn't even a funded account. So that's okay. One down. And true, also when it's megaphoning and crazy like this, and I take the stab, I'm not stabbing it in 20 of my accounts, just one. And so I could take that risk in one account. Oh, it didn't work out, darn. But now, you know, oh well. My fundeds are completely safe and profiting. Did I recharge the monkey bot? I didn't recharge the monkey bot. Well, it's probably gonna work. I told you guys, probably gonna stop me out before it works. See my luck. I have just such bad luck. I miscalculated earlier, and now it rips the MHP. Yeah, but you guys are gonna get to enjoy the fruits of this trade much more than I can. But I think it'll be fine. I think it's gonna work. Barely, dude, right on the edge.
Rapaz, né?
I miscalculated,
Mulher
which is
chegou
why
cheia
I
de
could not
sacola,
do a
coitado.
second mini.
Quase caiu no degrau.
Right on my stopping point was the blow up point. So I miscalculated earlier.
Agora vai.
It happens. Such bad luck. Good thing I'm a good trader. LOL,
Cara,
yeah.
todo dia, a hora que dá 11 horas, o mercado faz pullbackzinho pra cima, né?
It happens.
Que engraçado.
Wait, let me double check which.
Patrícia
account
que
that was.
gosta desses horários.
Is that
Cadê
a
a Patrícia?
middle eval or is it a first stage eval? That was account 50511. Oh yeah, that was just first stage eval. I don't care to reset that one then.
Cadê o Lip? O Lip tá aqui.
Ele fechou aquela operação?
Ô, papai, tô aqui.
Você fechou a operação?
It's probably gonna hold.
Não,
you
o
guys.
match.
I have a
Ah, o
feeling
match?
it will.
Não, tomou
If
taca.
it overshoots and dies,
Ah.
once it reclaims, it's
Ô,
always gonna jump
eu
back on.
tô
Be
jogando.
careful,
Dia de
Scouts,
quinta-feira eu
active
jogo
small trades
poker na
only.
casa de um cara aqui, mano.
Let me
O
look
cara
at
mexia
this
com
here.
o mercado. Eu não sei explicar, não sei certinho. Mas eu sei que ele vende. Parece que os caras perguntou pra ele, tá falando lá se ele,
Yeah, that was
se ele não
actually
tava
the first
tradando
stage
mais, se
eval.
tinha parado. Ele falou, não, eu parei. Depois que eu vendi o meu
Yeah, it wasn't even
meu
on Friday, so
portfólio,
that's good.
é,
This was a
porque eu
first
vendi
stage
meu
eval.
portfólio, eu dei uma
Extra
parada.
evals
Agora
I'm about to
imagina pra você
trade
ver
on
que
stream. I think
tanto
it's
que
gonna hold
acabou
and
que não
rally
deve
from here,
manjar,
though,
né, mano?
Aí, pai.
Yes, maybe I could
Pokerzinho
switch
aonde que você
trades just
joga?
to have it.
Aqui, como
There's
assim,
a
na casa
reset on
dele.
these, or like $100, I think.
É mesmo? Você tá
É.
ligado que eu sou demônio no poker, né, seu pai?
Aqui a galera é
This is
maldosa, viu,
archive
tio?
chat reset notification. Archive challenges. What the hell?
Galerinha
That's
que é
not archive. It says it's
maldosa.
active.
É duzentinho pra brincar, mas tem caboclo que sai lá. Menos
Something weird is going
800,
on in
menos
Blue
1000.
Sky.
Dia sim, dia não.
I'm telling you, extra accounts keep appearing.
Mas a galera aqui, a
So maybe
galera,
this is
galera
an
tem,
archive
viu? O mais
challenge, but for
pobrezinho lá
somehow,
sou
for
eu,
some
viu?
reason, I'm still allowed to trade it because it won't let me reset it.
Um outro cara trabalhou pro
Click
Ratinho
reset,
por
it says reset is
16
not available
anos.
for
Tá me
archive
mandando
challenges, but
mensagem
the
aqui pra
challenge
mim.
says it's active, and it says I have an active
Imagina, velho,
P&L and
16 anos
active
trabalhando pro Ratinho.
I don't know.
Pois
Porra,
é.
tio,
Next
ratinho,
shit's halted all
também?
trading
É,
operations. What
Ratinho da
happened?
televisão.
What happened
Ô,
with Next
não,
Gen?
pai.
Então,
How many micros
e
did I trade on a
ele
25K
trabalhava
account?
ele
Just a
trabalhava
couple, man. I wouldn't trade a lot. Those are small
de
accounts.
como é que chama a pessoa que planeja tudo lá?
Next Gen is crash midday. Dude, I'm
Planejador.
telling you, man.
Planejador, é
Crash
produtor.
Next Gen
Aí
site
passou
a
um
lot.
tempo e
It
ele
was really slow
virou
signing
um dos
public.
caras aí ele era o segurança, dizer. Eu nunca vi não. Ele falou que assim, mas o cara conhece os caras tudo, mano. O cara conhece Ronaldinho, já trombou com o Lula, já falou assim, mano, o Lula é o maior pilantra que você pode conhecer na vida. Tipo, caboclo é doideira.
So I
Mano,
have
o
no more
caboclo
resets
sabe
to trade
das, o
everything.
caboclo
Também
sabe,
não
I
baixo
normally
dele,
reset
saber
this one. I'm
disso,
not gonna
né?
buy
o
another one
caboclo
either.
sabe dos BO
So I
tudo
think I'm good. I
no
can't do anything else
que
today, but maybe I'll
aconteceu
call
aí
some shots for
no
y'all.
São Paulo, os caras 4. Doideira, tio.
Esses caras que trabalharam no SBT muitos anos, independente de ser com o Ratinho, com o Gugu, esses caras todos foram para os Estados Unidos. O Santos, o Gugu, eles faziam isso. Eles usavam muito a Flórida aí, Tinho, o Portioli. Os caras que ganharam dinheiro
that is
Cara que ganharam dinheiro ali dentro fizeram.
funded. Orbit.
E morreu.
So yeah, there's no,
E
so
morreu.
same day payout. There's no consistency, nothing. So I can trade this as much as I want. So let me put this one on screen. So this one has no final amount. I can just trade this as much as I want and get payouts. So maybe this one I will play on the DD band reclaim. There you go. It's on the S&P for you, bud.
Eu quero. O Gustavo estava falando isso como sozinho.
É, alguém parece que tava ligando pra ele lá, acho que foi atender o telefone.
So remember, when it comes to trading, trading has everything to do with like the
Coloquei o match na TV aqui pra...
API or whatever. Usually,
Mano, acompanha aí pra você ver, velho. Ah, é pra você ver a tela dela. Aquele vermelho lá é uma eval, ele falou. Evaluation.
Então foi uma, duas...
Não,
duas,
aquilo lá,
né?
não, aquilo lá é tudo pra sacar.
Oh, yeah.
Não.
Os verdes lá é tudo pra sacar.
For a bounce here. Should I try some micros? Let's try some micros on this account here.
Mas são contas individuais, ele não tá replicando.
Ele não faz isso. Ele não copia.
Pode ele faz numa, vai pra outra, faz numa, vai pra outra, faz numa, vai pra outra.
Aham. Nenhum deles. Os outros caras lá, o Brett, o Neon também. Nenhum deles copia.
I can make as much as I need to. There's no cap
Going.
on
What a
this, so I
great
can just
show.
play
We
it
peaked at
without
like
that.
1,500 people. That 1.1
Nutty
thousand
cows,
likes.
I don't wanna do many
The
stuff. Let's
giveaways
be
were
smart,
fat
guys.
today.
Oh,
The
voltei,
company's
meu telefone
wonderful
tá
food talk was expeditious.
Tá ligado? Vamos ligar.
Expeditious food talk.
Expeditious and
That's what we live
delicious.
for.
I love you guys. I
muito
appreciate you
baixo,
guys so
Deus.
much. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to TradeFi TV. They're the #1 trading network and prop in the world. Make sure you guys are locked in with them. Daily payouts, select plan, 5-day payouts, straight to funded, lightning funded. They are growing faster. They got slay markets. They got so much great things coming. The World Cup predictions, the tournaments. Nobody's doing anything like TradeFi's funding is doing. So make sure you guys are locked in with these guys every single day because you never know what's going to come out next. I love them. They're leading the prop industry in innovation and plans and more. They are really changing the industry for us all. Great thing.
Ah, não, ele é o dia inteiro.
Appreciate you guys having me on.
De longe, assim, eu já começo a reconhecer umas palavras. Coisa que antigamente eu tinha que botar o som bem alto.
Aham.
Pra eu escutar coisa em inglês, seu pai, eu tinha que botar bem alto, bem alto. Tinha que vir muito forte no ouvido e eu tinha que ficar olhando pra boca. Agora não. Agora, aqui ó, tem um monte de gente aqui na porta fazendo uma barulheira. Porra, não sei se eles vão entrar.
Hell yeah, well
O
said.
ouvido vai ficando.
We love you.
Vai ficando
Treinado,
é.
See you later, baby.
Bom dia.
Chat.
What a day,
Alright.
what a day. What a
Yep,
freaking day, mate.
We promised you craziness,
Deixa eu ver pra
and you got
você.
it.
Você precisa dele
True shit.
comprido?
That was fun.
Oh,
I like
you
the
got
food
it.
talk. I like the expeditious food talk.
Expeditious.
Porque ó, eu
food
tenho
talk.
esse
Well,
cabo aqui, ó.
Found out some new stuff about food today.
Damn straight. Now I'm gonna make some extra
Ele faz parte dessa vassoura aqui, mas se servir aí, vou ver se eu arrumo pra você.
Does look a little toppy though. That was pretty crazy.
Olha, ele empenou de ficar aí dentro, ó.
What are you gonna do with your long hair? What are you thinking? You gonna add somewhere?
Yeah, I'm gonna add at 683 and a quarter if it goes down there,
Esse é pequeno,
which it should.
também já empenou tudo. Mas eu acho que eu não tenho dele hoje a pronta entrega, mas eu posso pedir.
We'll see.
Deixa eu
And
ver
until
aqui.
then, it either goes up and I get back into green, or it doesn't. Both is fine. Both is fine. J. Jaw Flow says, Nick, this market sucks.
Right.
No, this market is fucking awesome. What are you talking about?
This market is giving a fuck ton of opportunities today.
Yep.
Oh
What are
my
you talking
God.
about? This market sucks. This is great.
It might be a
Hey,
little
Leia.
crazy because ESNQ diverging so much.
YOLO
but
lá no
it
match,
is,
gurizada. YOLO.
it's giving opportunity. It's giving.
Eu tô lá.
Anja, how were my longs today? Did I take profits? Absolutely, I did. I got realized profits. Now
Precisa de dois?
one micro left.
Não,
Ó,
é só.
Was up almost 500 points.
Vai falar a
I just
verdade
wanted
pra
to
você, cara.
hold it for 500. And I said, if it comes back down, I'll just rework it, which is exactly what I'm going to do now. So
Esse aqui tá.
we will see.
God
Yep.
speed for the God speed.
Yep. Thank you, Antje. Appreciate you.
I made 2K in one account and one I exited break even. No, that's all right. Listen, you're still up 2K. All right. That's more than a doctor's salary. Right there in a single day.
Some accounts today.
That's not more than a doctor's salary, but
right now just waffling.
Wait, how many days are 52 times 5 times 2,000?
Seller's not taking control yet.
Yeah, it's $520,000 a year.
well, our doctor's working 30 days a month or what?
Time to rally.
Take it all the way to 850.
Get up.
Yes.
Get up.
Back to 800. They will not give up 800 yet. Squeezing.
A lot of people are having issues with Next Gen right now. Apparently Next Gen's got some outage. Y'all freaking crashed their website, guys. Good luck.
850 is the level to watch, I think.
Whoosh fan.
Big bounce from me. Comfortably back above 196.
On it, though. With the whoosh fan. Remember, count's active on NASDAQ. Not an outage.
850 definitely at the level to watch.
It's not? Benji. Type something in chat, Benji.
Okay, 11 a.m. Here it comes.
Oh, wow. That's a nice candle on NASDAQ. 40 points there off of DD band. It's good. Hopefully it holds. See, also when markets are chaotic and violently falling like that, one thing you notice
850 seems to be that line in the sand that doesn't want to crack.
All of my accounts. I took that risk in just one of the
Will it hold below 800 is the question.
Right? And I'd
if
one
it broke below 800 here, this
now I'm taking again another account. Usually violent sell-offs like this, I don't go all in all my accounts and all in one spot. I always rotate them in and out like that. So I had one actually bust, and that's it. That was a first stage orbit.
Trying to find its way out of this valley of despair.
Orbit sitting there. Because I thought I had passed all of them, but apparently I had one that was still sitting there. I don't know. The air you're getting, I think a lot of people are getting some air with this, guys.
Looking for that spike through 850 and then a flash back down.
I should have drawn the whoosh fan a little longer, a little lower.
That's what it looks like it wants to do.
Turns to cheer.
Back at 850.
It's the legend of Mil.
Will it roll?
So one of our merch items is gonna have a shirt that says Legend of Mib on it. 100%. Of our merch. I've already figured it out. The whoosh fan is an undeniable trading strategy. Then we draw a fan emoji or picture on your screen.
850 is everything.
The market
here.
will always go up. Every single time. Well, until it doesn't, I guess. So most of the time, some of the time. It's a magic song. It works. Maybe.
You buy a $7 million farm.
Hopefully.
Hold on. We gotta do the math here.
Got my
And
lucky
you put
headband
down
on, let's
20%.
go.
You need one.
Actually, there is. We got
So
a
he needed
pretty good
1.4 mil in
ones.
liquid cash, which is probably that's a lot of cash.
Waffling
Slicing
between
on the
850
And then-
and 12 right now.
If he gets a loan out
Must be the,
for
line
let's
in the
say
sand.
5.4 mil.
Back to the point of control. Is it
So
going to
he's
break
got
800 and hold that
5.4
break?
mil loan.
If
maybe
sellers
at
take
like
control here, it is
0.6 or maybe at like 6%.
Now ready to work. And we're just getting
Da,
sort of
da, da. He's
kicking
paying.
off.
Yeah, all right. He's making some bands. Does he own his
now
own
holding that
clinic?
810
Because
Fury.
like Nick said, that probably adds with it.
Should I just go
With
like,
the Algebra for Max, you get back on your
like,
MOC speech game.
go
That's
with the
true. That's true. We gotta get back to our roots of MOC.
Will sellers flash
And
through
by
here?
the way, if anybody doesn't know, MOC speeches get a little crazy, just like this one, right? So we get a little nutty during power hours. So maybe today, to send us off into the weekend, we will be doing our little MOC speech to get a little crazy. That's
So what I'm
what
trying to do is I'm trying to build a position.
If you want to look forward to that, you can catch your power hour.
the band, that we
Because
say
I can't
above
use
the
all
band.
the
So
energy
some buyers
here right
underneath
now.
it.
Add the dips
Understand
below,
where that's
but
coming
that's
from?
it.
He might need more money, maybe
They're showing
30%.
it below the line.
Maybe.
Too busy praying this.
If you win a giveaway and forgot to redeem the code, maybe a year later, would it still be valid? It should be. Should be.
Please don't let the market drop.
One trade a day keeps the doctor away, but every trade a day makes your hair bald. Spit bars.
Back to that point.
Ah, legal.
The doctor's got divorced and he had to pay his wife $6 million and $8K a month.
The heavens. Did I not plug it in? Holy shit! I forgot to plug
Yo,
it in.
all right, new strat. find a very wealthy doctor, marry them, and then divorce them.
There we go.
Not financial advice.
Mas tá sorteando lá. Vamos lá.
It's alright, trades like a girl. We literally went back Monday. It's a hard day today. It was kind of crazy.
We gotta put the on
It was a
switch.
pretty crazy day. Look at ES, NQ. ES finally getting a little bit of the sell with NQ. NQ just like dragging it down. But what is it on NQ? Nvidia?
The on switch.
Look at Apple. Look at Apple just doing all freaking.
Add a couple more micros.
All forms of dots right here. It's always Apple, just literally the outlier.
100 points below. It's
Loses more than
Tesla. That was SpaceX.
It all just goes out.
Yeah, hold on.
Marcos here.
Oh my God, Apple! What the frickety frick? What the frickety frick? Yeah, get ready for the power hour.
It's a little violent day here today.
How much is max payout on a 150k lightning funded? Let's go ahead and check it out, because if you go onto Tradify.co's website, you can find very fast, very quick how much the max payout is. It is in several sections of our website, and also in text right to the website itself. I would be looking for you, my good sir, man. If you go right to it, if I go to a 150k lightning funded roadie max payout.
Look at this. I'm only down $300.
I'm pretty sure it's like 2,500 for the first half.
Right on the edge.
2,500 or 3K. I don't know. Actually, you look. I don't feel like going.
So what happens is if I stop.
Potato, do the giveaway. Put the fries in the bag, bro.
And then.
Hey, yo! Oh my gosh!
NQ don't overshoot, which should be right here at 700. That's it. That's what
yes, finally catching a little bit of the sell. Yes, it's gonna be pretty interesting if we break below 75.40.
They're beating the brakes on the video right now.
Man, NQ is just all sorts of crazy.
I'm just building a position.
All sorts of crazy. Next level on NQ. I mean, we could literally see like 602.
S&P's going lower.
717. Was that where we just bounced at, or was that 712? Okay. 672.
This is a double bottom here in the S&P's. If it does break,
and
this
607 would be where I'm looking.
Foi sorteio lá? Quem ganhou?
Would be the next level I want to see.
Não, galera lá.
Get rid of this older fib. Ooh, wait, timeout. Are we getting a higher time frame?
Towards a double bottom as well.
Legendary long.
It's the last one right here.
Oh, we are right at the 618. Oh my.
Okay, one more.
Spudnik, are you AI? If
Ah,
yes,
tá sorteando de novo.
what is base AI pod?
Big break of 700.
Eu nem pus a palavra ainda, agora eu tô no trânsito.
These AI only
Você tá
calibrated
preocupado e você
stock
nem
market
entrou.
and
Back to
chat.
Monday's mid now.
Não, só tô olhando.
No AI.
Não, é que eu parei no semáforo aqui e dei uma olhada.
Yeah, they're still drawing pretty aggressive.
New credits have been bought. We're back.
Here.
Okay, we're good. They re-upped my credit usage. We're back. We're back. Happy 4th. Yes, happy 4th, brother.
O trânsito aqui tá meio bagunçado, velho.
Alright, get a nice dump.
Esses
582 would be a
Depois de manhã atropelaram uma
massive
criança
dump.
nessas
Alright,
bicicletas
what
elétricas aí. Não sei não se não deu merda.
670,
Vi que fecharam uma
672,
rua.
and then 607. 672.
Agora, semana passada aconteceu um negócio louco aqui, hein?
Passou.
Um maluco
Big unwind.
começou a pichar a cidade inteira escrito PCC. Os órgãos públicos.
607 would be the next.
Foi aqui no músico.
I don't know.
É, PCC saiu pichando ali. Aqui no ginásio, só órgão público. Aí a polícia pegou ele. A polícia pegou ele, botou ele na gaiolinha lá do camburão, levou pra delegacia. Um sitezinho, um repórter local aqui, foi lá perguntar pra ele por que ele tava fazendo aquela palhaçada lá. Ele falou, os caras falaram que se eu não pichasse, eles iam matar eu e matar minha família. Que cara, os caras. Aí o delegado fichou ele e soltou, né? Não tinha antecedentes, não tinha nada, moleque de 17 anos, menor de idade. Meu, na noite seguinte, furaram o moleque de bala inteiro, velho.
Não ia demorar muito, né?
That could really go crazy.
E agora a pergunta é.
Que doideira.
E agora a pergunta é, foi o PCC ou foi o Comando Vermelho?
Quem que furou o
Oh
moleque?
yeah, I'm selling all my Pokemon cards today. And then
Que doideira, hein?
we can start ripping
Cidade pequena do interior, velho, um negócio
Okay,
desse.
all right, so get ready.
Vou tomar o conta do Brasil
We start
todo, né,
ripping some
cara?
packs. We can start
É.
There's your big bounce.
584. All right, 60. I kind of want to get in a little bit early at 607.
Se alguém quiser resolver isso aí, vai ter muito trabalho, viu?
Hold on, let me pull this shit up on the side. Let's see, 607.
Straight up. I mean, it's goated. You can make 10K.
Yeah,
a day.
I like the state. Basically, like
Pretty damn goated.
shit. Even from 580 to 610 is a nice.
I couldn't recommend a better.
Nice
This is the
level.
best
I'm kind of digging it.
prop
I'm kinda
account, the
digging it.
existence of prop accounts. That and TBT Pro. Straight
Let's
up.
see, 627.
Super duper goated.
Okay. Yeah. Like it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's Spud. You selling all the cars? Does that mean a pizza party? Low key might be a pizza party. That could be. It's gonna be some mega band. Hey, yo, wait. No, don't leave back. Don't go back up yet. Don't go back up
Você
yet.
não fez
Ele tá fazendo,
Você não fez menos de 1 milhão hoje, eu falo pra você.
tá fazendo grana só no privado dele, só no escondido.
É, fez dinheiro demais hoje, viu?
When Catalyst is active, I don't fuck around with my life. I do nothing. So,
ele fez no mínimo 1 milhão.
When it's like megaphoning like it is, like I said, I spread out
Caralho, velho.
A conta dele é muito grande, né, velho?
Down a little bit so we can get into some loans.
$1 milhão eu parava de fazer trade.
Mas pra ele não dá pra pagar, né?
Clear all these drawings because there's so much shit on my screen right now.
Custo de
So
vida
taking
do
it
cara é
from
alto,
this
né?
recent swing low here, so from last Thursday, basically last week's low, I'm gonna put it onto the wick right here. And then we're gonna go up to, was it?
On the bull side, I would just keep buying inside of all of this and betting the market still is bullish on the longer haul. And I would use
Só de boné dele, tio. Você tá ouvindo?
Oi, tô te ouvindo.
Só de boné dele. Boné que ele tem no quarto, no office dele lá. O que ele mostrou um dia lá. Só no office, ele falou que no quarto dele lá tem mais. Só de boné ele tem $15 mil.
Caralho!
É doido.
Aquele boné que ele usa, tá usando lá, ó, ele só usa aquela marca lá. Os que ele mostrou é tudo a mesma marca. Cada boné daqui lá é 400, 450, $500 o boné. Ele mostrou 27 que tava dentro do office dele. E ele falou que no closet dele lá tinha mais. Só no office dele tinha 15 mil só de boné.
O cara gasta mesmo. Ah, mas se o cara faz $1 milhão num dia,
que não faz todo
mês,
dia, né? Que nem de mesa mesmo. De mesa faz uns 2 meses que ele não saca nada. Só toma taca. Agora eu não sei se ele faz isso para os outros estourar a conta deles também e eles comprar mais conta no nome dele. Sei lá, mas... Ou ele não tem paciência mesmo de ficar brincando com conta falsa e estoura elas mesmo pra já... Fez, não fez, tchau, obrigado. Que nem tem vezes que ele pode sacar 30 mil, 40 mil assim e ele fala que não, ele quer ir até no máximo, sei lá, 90 mil. Ele vai até estourar.
Aí ele estoura a conta.
Aí fica puto com o chat. Desconta em qualquer Zé Ruela que escreve qualquer coisa na live dele.
Sections of market over the last maybe 6 years since we've had this tool set, and in bull market and bear market
vai chegando perto das férias, tem criança que já para de vir na escola porque amanhã é o último dia, hoje já tem metade dos carros que foi a semana passada aqui.
Rapaziada, já aproveita pra viajar, né?
Os moleques já vai pedindo, né? Ah, não quero mais ir. Ah, já passei. Ah, já tirei 10. Já vai parando já.
Não é bobo, né?
Manda pra casa do vô, da avó e vai se livrando dos moleques.
Eu vi um negócio, um Reels ontem de um moleque, ele postou um vídeo assim, tô entrando de férias. Aí o próximo vídeo é ele lavando louça.
Eu gasto 2 dias com mais de 1% de queda que é sempre positivo, ligado? Estranho isso aqui, viu?
I totally forgot it was even like a new month. My bad.
People that do back tests should never do back tests
That's
from
crazy.
like years of data. And as a mathematician, I have to warn people against.
I'm
probably gonna withdraw
you should
today.
do years of data, but not together as a
Couple
lump
shekels.
sum.
I think I go play the World Series today. Ride this heat wave. I think that's what I do. Tournament starts. I should probably work out, get a little lift in.
Vem, cachorro.
3 hours. I think that's what I need to do. I need to go get a little lift in.
Cadê o Hulk?
I think, like, dude, I just ride this wave of happiness into the World Series, and I just ride the good vibes and I just picture myself winning. That's what I think I do. Chest and arms today? Yeah, probably some Showtime muscles.
setups.
I think that's what the plan
example,
is.
a stable market.
I think that's what we do, baby. I just think that's what we don't do.
And then when you're trading,
one of my new favorite things to do
Ei,
now
velho,
is
se eu
I
tô aqui na
always go
sala,
into
qualquer coisa, você
quantity
só
when
grita pra
I'm
mim ali, viu?
not trading, and I just go into quantity. I don't know if you can do this. You can do your scroll wheel and you just whip it right down so you don't get yourself into any trouble. Then when you're trading, you scroll it back up.
you need environmentally connected.
I didn't know you could do that with the scroll wheel and the quantity. It's a great way to
O
not
cara tá
fuck
limpando já
yourself.
essa
Like I have
função.
not fucked myself with quantity in the
Estamos
longest time
suporte,
because
né?
of that trick.
60% of the time, like it's retarded.
Deixa o cara trabalhar, moço. Sai daí, sai de perto.
Crazy market that you just think I was short.
A pior coisa que tem é você trabalhando e o patrão em cima de você. Nossa, mano, ia trabalhar na casa dos outros, mas você ia cortar um negócio se o velho em cima de você, mano. Aí ligava a grind é uma que corta, sei lá. Corta. Ah, faz um poeirão. Ah, mano, aí virava pra cara do caboclo. Você fica aí pra você ver então. Fica aí, lá, mano, você bobo.
Toma.
Nossa, que raiva, mano. Você cortar o caboclo tá em cima do C, assim, mano. Não tem nem margem pra errar. Sai pra lá, velho.
You have to omit it from the data set because we wouldn't normally execute a trade in that environment. So you must backtest when you'd apply your strategy, which shouldn't be at all times. When people fundamentally produce backtests and they're like, you know, this works over the last 5 years of data. I'm like, you're trading every single moment in time. You're not trading at night, are you? Well, no. Well, don't factor that data into your backtest. Backtest should only apply to when you apply your strategy. So what we did was we spot checked what the bear market or crash markets look like, and so like liquidity pockets work like 60,
Vamos. As docas só vai bater a meta 100%.
Tune in for that.
Você entrou?
At that time, like tariff crash.
Entrei longe agora com dois. Dois micros.
Tariff crash, the data that we had for monthly hedge pressure.
Dois microzinhos.
For that environment. So we want to see like when markets are irrational, how bad are the probabilities?
Sim, mas pelo visto.
Really quick. So when we do back tests, we want to do back tests over the applicable range. You're going to use your strategy. And just whenever it's random.
Vai continuar depois dessa rejeição aí, parceiro. Qual foi? Não viu a rejeição, não, cara?
If you go to Arizona, if you go to Death Valley and you go.
Primeira rejeição grande no 15.
100% of the time, it'll protect you 100% of the time, but you're like, it doesn't rain at all. Of course, it's going to keep me dry every day. But what about when it's raining? Then how well does it work, right? So in that mentality, we're going to see like, okay, when the market's raining,
Olha o capetinha do lado. Aumenta a mão. Aumenta a mão.
Dobra que dá certo. Dobra que dá certo.
No cu dos outros é bom, né?
When you had confluence, MHP would hold about 90% of days would close above if they opened above. And we said, well, how bad does it deteriorate over periods of time?
Cara, aqui na esquina da escola tem 4 kitnets. Mas kitnet daquelas que se você tiver um Uno com rabicho, não fecha o portão. Só cabe o Uno na garagem sem o rabicho. Bem na da esquina aqui, mora uma engenheira que ela era... E eu acho que ou ele fez um contrato de casamento muito bom antes, já sabendo que ela era vagabunda, ou o advogado que fez o divórcio era bom pra caralho também, porque ela saiu com a mão na frente e outra atrás. Ela tá aqui na esquininha, aqui, morando nessa porra dessa kitnet. E ela meteu um chifre no cara com o médico. E o médico tá aqui agora, ó. Acabou de descer da caminhonete dele pra entrar na kitnet da... Ela é meio bugrona, assim, meio morena, cabelão meio Pocahontas. Gostosa pra caralho, só que vagabunda. Informada em engenharia, velho. Tem um monte de obra dela aqui na cidade. Não precisava ser vagabunda desse jeito. O marido era rico. Pô, o cara desce na kitnet aqui, entra com o travesseiro na mão, doido. E de manhã, quando eu venho trazer as crianças, às vezes eu vejo ele saindo com o travesseiro na mão e entrando na caminhonete. O cara é ligeiro, hein? Ele falou, essa aí eu não vou segurar muito tempo, não, que o próximo chifrudo é eu.
E outra, já que eu vou dormir com meus travesseiros.
Não, eu levar o travesseiro é doideira.
O cara traz o travesseiro, mano. O cara é médico, a mulher é engenheiro.
Ah, mas ele dorme no plantão, é.
A kitnet é de. Fora de brincadeira, essa kitnet deve ter uns 8x8 aqui, uns 8x6, não tem 50 metros quadrados, cara. E tem garagem, tem tudo. É muito pequeno, mas é muito pequeno. E a caminhonete dele é igual a minha, cara. Um dia ela veio e meteu a mão na maçaneta, aí ela deu uma olhada e voltou lá pra dentro. Quase que ela entrou aqui no carro. Não é bem igual.
Sem querer
Não
querendo?
é bem igual.
Sem querer querendo?
Não é bem igual, mas ela deu uma confundida. Eu parei bem aqui na portinha dela, ela falou, é aqui, né?
Na portinha dela?
Ah, pronto.
Como é?
Pronto. Bem na portinha da kitnet.
Você não sabe o nome dela? Vamos ver no Instagram aqui.
Engenheira, o Instagram dela é engenheira.
Eu já sabe de cor, Olipe.
Ah, não, o assunto deu muito assunto aqui na cidade. Quem me contou na época foi minha mãe, porque o médico é anestesista e minha mãe também é anestesista, ele trabalhava com ela. Aí as enfermeiras foram contar pra ela, sabe aquele rolo?
E bafafá todo.
Cidade pequena você sabe. Vitória, engenheira Vitória alguma coisa. Vitória Meirelles, um negócio assim. Vitória Meirelles, isso mesmo, Lipe. Engenheira Vitória Eng, tá assim, ó, Eng, ENG.Vitória Meirelles. Tem 10 mil seguidores. Até que não é ruimzinho o Instagram dela, não.
Não é famosa.
O cara levou ela pra casar em Cancún. O cara deu de tudo pra ela, só andava de carrão. Pra que foi meter guampa no coitado do idiota, velho? Empresário.
Ai, gostosa mesmo, hein?
Gostosa. Bugrona, tipo Pocahontas, assim, sabe? O cara pagou pra ela plástica, meteu silicone nessas tetas dela aí. O cara deu um talento nela. Aí ela meteu o chifre no cara, tá aqui na kitnet, que não dá nem pra abrir a janela.
Não fez nem o filho, cara.
Oi?
Ela não fez nem um filho do cara.
Então, depois a conversa que saiu é que o cara não podia ter filho e ela queria filho.
E morreu.
Morreu. Nossa. Delicinha mesmo, hein? Acabei de ver um vídeo dela aqui.
You have to decide when there's an environment when you've just chosen to sit out, like your strategy no longer applies. And you want to understand those different environments, right? Institutional selling, it's very heavy rotation today. So what I like to look at is I go to like...
Beleza. Ela tá fazendo um centro de comércio aqui, com umas lojinhas, uns negocinhos. Ela posta bastante coisa.
O Lipe tá vendo.
Bonito mesmo, velho. Bonito.
Meta is bad. AVGO is bad.
Parece uma namoradinha que eu tive na
Precisar fazer uma reforma.
But most of the rest of the stock market's pretty good.
Precisar fazer...
What CQG data should you get for your AMP account?
E morreu de novo.
Rocket scooter? It just depends on what you trade.
Hello.
Like, buy data for whatever you trade. If you're trading index, like NASDAQ and S&P, then you should just get CME data level 1.
É vara nela, filho. Parece mesmo uma namoradinha que eu tive na faculdade. Bem parecida.
Será que não é?
Não, porque chegou advogado e chamava Gabriel.
CME level 1 data. That's it. You only need level 1 data too. You don't need level 2 data.
O médico não deixava não, mas ele conhece o passado dela, né? Mas já era para meus moleques ter saído, né?
Tá atrasado.
Não tem quase nenhum carro aqui na frente da escola.
Nossa, o menino é uma delícia, porra. Tá maluco.
What happened to the V-shaped days? I don't know. Could be today. Let's let S&P and all these other ones find some lower.
Quem olha no Instagram não sabe que ela mora na kitnet, viu?
Pois é. Mas ela não morava. Se tiver alguma foto dela aí da casa dela, é da casa antiga. Ela deve ter apagado tudo. Não deve ter mais nenhuma foto do cara aí.
Ah, não, com certeza.
Tried it with some micros on this account. Didn't work, and now I'm just chilling. In days like this, when the market falls and is irrational, I can identify it quickly and just not take any risk.
Casou em Cancún. Porra, levaram a família inteira daqui, custou uma bala.
Tem gente que não dá valor não, moço.
Mas fotos que ela tirou em Cancún
Tá
sozinha,
lá.
tá tudo aqui ainda. É.
Não é besta, né, pai? Tem que vender, né?
Mas sabe o que acontece?
Uma coisa é uma coisa, outra coisa é outra coisa, né?
O cara andava de 4 por ela. O cara tinha ela como um puta de um troféu. Ela falou: esse aí pode levar chifre, pode fazer o que quiser, que ele não larga.
Ué,
Mas aí tem um limite, né?
Ó, o Lipe aí nem andar, não tem, já tá andando de 4, imagina quem tá lá.
Pai, vou te
Pois
falar,
é,
se
imagina
o
o cara
casal
que-
desse morasse no Rio de Janeiro, no São Paulo, da vida que ninguém conhecesse, ele continuava com ela. Ele
Será?
larga porque a cidade é pequenininha, pai.
Ah,
Feira
não,
feio
mas tem
demais.
gente, que se dá valor, moço. Tem gente que eu mesmo. Ih, eu não
É que
tenho,
aqui,
não tenho.
é que aqui a cidade inteira ficou sabendo, não tinha como o cara continuar. Mas eu acho que tem uma porrada de cara que continua mesmo. Com chifre e
Tem
tudo.
caboclo que é sem vergonha, mesmo, tá
Claro.
nem aí não, fi.
Claro, fica passando a vara toda.
Mas que nem o cara, se o cara falou, o
Se
cara
o que ele
bem de
quiser,
vida,
se
médico, os
que-
caras é 4, você tá doido.
Se ela garantiu que o cara tá afim de ter, beleza. Ele aceita dividir.
Se eu sou bem velho,
Olha lá.
bem velho mesmo, eu não tô nem aí, pode dar bunda. Vou continuar comendo a novinha, foda-se.
Ah, não. Eu não.
Pai, bem velho, pra morrer já, tô nem aí.
Ué, mas como mais velho também, ué.
Para, velho não consegue nada, pai.
Você tá
Propaganda.
doido. Meu avô,
Eu
meu avô era...
acho assim que o feito maior do cara, o feito maior do cara foi ter conseguido botar ela pra fora do casamento com a mão na frente e outra atrás.
Com certeza.
Fudeu com a vida da minha, né?
Era pra
Fudeu
ela ter
mais que
levado.
fudeu, né?
Ela que se fudeu. Porque numa dessa ela ainda sai e ainda carrega uns trem do cara, viu?
Ela foi esperto, né? Provavelmente sabia da fama.
E como é que funciona
Pois é.
essa parte aí no Brasil? Vamos dizer que tem divisões de bens no contrato lá. A mulher traiu, o cara comprovou que ela traiu. Tem que dividir de qualquer jeito?
Tem que dividir. É que depende do regime que você tá casado, né?
O que seria isso?
Regime de comunhão de bens, universal de bens, não importa.
É, então, isso que eu tô falando.
Mas, por exemplo, não era. Pode trair, fazer o quê? Traiu, direito é direito.
Caralho, aí fica fácil.
Eu acho que devia fazer um contrato. Se você estabelecer algum contrato de não traição, há quem questione, mas dá pra você argumentar na justiça.
Entendeu?
Mas, por exemplo, eles não deviam ser casados, devia ter, se tiver uma união, não sei se era casado?
Uai, falou que levou pra Cancún aí.
Eu não sei se casou no cartório, pelo menos lá em Cancún fizeram uma farra da porra.
Mas a união estável é comunhão parcial de bens, né? Vale também. Só que é só o que adquire depois de comprovado o início da união estável, entende? O que o cara tem antes não leva nada.
O cara tem muita grana, mas quem tem grana de verdade mesmo é o pai dele, entendeu? Às vezes o pai ainda não passou as coisas pro nome dele,
Exato.
Mas é muito rico. Eles moravam numa casona muito grande, andavam em carrão. Tem várias empresas aqui na cidade. O cara trabalha pra porra. O nome dele é Fabiano, ele é gente boa, velho. E aí ela saiu com essa mão na frente e outra atrás aí. Ela tem um Fiat, sei lá o que é aquela porra daquele Fiat ali, Fiat Argo, Fiat branco ainda, que você sabe que é mais barato ainda. Ela saiu com a mão na frente e outra atrás e esse carro aí, velho, tá morando na kitnet.
Merece menos, né?
Ela saiu do casamento sem nada, doido, de verdade. O cara ou tinha um contrato muito bom, ou realmente não tinha absolutamente nada no nome dele e ela achou que tinha.
Às vezes não achou nada também, não. Só queria dar uma sentada e tomou no tarraqueta.
Às vezes ela usufruiu, né? Aproveitou enquanto foi bom enquanto durou.
Isso.
Espetáculo de menina, hein? Você tá louco.
Tem uma mulher, tem uma amiga da minha mãe aqui. Um policial. Mano, ela casou umas 3 vezes. Juro por Deus. Ela casou 3 vezes. Casado. Traiu as 3 vezes. Hoje em dia os caras tá tudo bem com família. A próxima mulher que eles pegou, casou, teve filho. Todo mundo teve filho. Uma tem 3 filhos, outra tem outro filho. E ela agora, hoje em dia, parece que direitou. Mas, mano, imagina você trair 3 casamentos.
Tá na índole, né? É a índole, é o caráter, né?
Não,
assim
não
não
tem,
direito não, viu?
não
É
tem
pra sempre,
cabimento não, mano. Mas 3, velho. De 3 eu tô falando assim, morando junto, casado no papel.
Tua mãe mora aí também nos Estados Unidos ou foi seu pai?
Todo mundo, minha mãe, meu pai, meus irmãos.
Porra, velho, que coisa boa.
É.
Você não vem mais embora, então.
Nem pra visitar.
Ele foi pra lá com 12 anos, Lito.
Porra, que coisa boa, hein? Arrumaram tua vida, coroa. Que
Então,
delícia.
Agradecer meus pais, viu?
Tá lá faz uma cara.
O vídeo é sozinho aí, né? Tem
Não
ninguém.
sei. Por isso que ela é rebelde desse jeito.
Ele é a esposa só, né?
Ele é a esposa. A esposa ele conheceu aí, né? Ele foi sem ninguém.
Ah,
Os filhos dele estão aqui, os pais dele. O pai acho que morreu, mas a mãe dele tá aqui.
Aí, tem filho aí no Brasil?
Tem 2.
Tem.
Alô, tem que levar a criança pra cá, ué.
Não, o moleque dele tem 20 anos.
Ah, entendeu.
É da primeira esposa.
Entendeu?
Ele sabe pra frente.
Mas eu acho que o Perini tinha que levar esses filhos pra aí, cara. É outra perspectiva de vida, né?
Ah, era certo, mano.
18, 17, 16, já tinha que ter levado há uns 2, 3 anos atrás.
Com certeza.
Ainda mais se ele conseguir o green card aí, né? Tá louco. O Bagre agora tá indo, pai. Ele teve no Rio semana retrasada pra fazer um exame físico e passar pela última entrevista ali, não sei o quê. Mas vai pegar o green card e tá indo embora pros Estados Unidos. De vez.
É isso aí.
Não volta mais.
Não volta mais.
Pô, Nasdaq, meu preço é resistência agora? Tá de brincadeira, vamos?
Tá segurando aí?
Tá.
Você tá alongado ou tá shortado?
Alongado.
O Matt entrou também.
Alongado?
Alongado.
Consegue ver o preço dele?
Pô, deixa eu mostrar pra vocês outra vagabunda. Essa aqui, ó. Ela parou a caminhonete. Ela parou a caminhonete no meio da rua e desceu, porque acho que é dona da cidade. Essa meteu. Olha lá, fica vendo? Gostosa também, só que ela é mais velha. Ó.
Aí é louco.
Só que essa aí meteu o guampa no fazendeiro e pôs ele pra fora da fazenda. Ela ficou com a fazenda. Mora sozinha, ela e os 3 filhos.
Tem gente que é esperto, né? Não, nós só trabalha com Instagram aqui.
No sangue? Tô falando pra você que tá no sangue. Ó, ela desceu de novo aqui, acabou de passar aqui atrás, ó. É que ela deve ter vindo buscar o moleque, eles estão ensaiando quadrilha. Eu parei aqui no portão e vi eles lá dentro. Ela deve estar brava, porque esse moleque não apareceu em algum lugar que ela combinou com ele. Só que a menina tá dentro do carro, ali dentro da caminhonete. A menina saiu da escola, ela foi pra outra escola que aqui tava dando treta. A menina tem uns 15, 16 anos. Você precisa de ver que jeito de piranha que tem a menina. Não tem mais que 15 anos. Mas piranha, anda pelada, anda com short enfiado na bunda, igualzinho a mãe. Ó, meus moleques chegaram.
Troca de assunto.
Ô louco, que demora da porra, hein, brotherzinho? Ah, que é isso, hein? É. Onde que o Kenji vai com aquela blusa ali nesse sol? Vai morrer frito. A mãe dele tá brava.
Tá subindo, Lipão.
Essa a gente vê aqui.
Já tirou?
Não, eu quero que bata ali, só tem que subir até o 834.
Só isso?
Tem pontinho, eu bati minha meta do dia.
Aí é loucura.
$1.200.
Tá doido. E você entrou com quanto? 2 micro ou 1 micro?
2 micros.
Tá doido. Longe demais. Tá louco, é 100 pontos, mano.
Nossa, pai. Você é louco, desde a abertura aqui já caiu 350 pontos, caralho.
Eu não tenho estômago pra segurar tudo isso.
100 pontinhos, um peido.
Você tá doido, não vai lá por nada.
Ô, louco, pai. Vai daqui 5 minutos, duvidar.
Você vai ver, você vai ver.
É só romper essa região aí que vai.
Você vai ver. Vai chegar nos 800 no máximo e vai voltar.
Deixa eu ver aqui na minha tela, aqui perto da TV. Onde é que você tá vendo o match aqui?
Como assim?
Ah, agora eu vi onde que ele entrou, tá ligado? Não tá na tela dele aqui, tá só no cantinho ali o trade, né?
Aham. Mas ele entrou com dois. Ele entrou com 2 micro também lá.
Eu queria ter visto a tela onde ele pegou.
60 pontos, hein? 60 pontos. Ele entrou no 700 ali. Entre os 690.
Eu liguei, 721. Pode crer.
Ah, é mesmo, olha lá. Dá ponto certinho. 721.
Eu tô no 731, ele tá 10 pontos abaixo de mim.
Ele falou: se voltar, ele vai aumentar.
Aí, ó, $130 pra mim aqui já, pai.
I'm excited. They're working on getting this out there for you guys, by the way.
Aí é doideira.
Send me this picture today. He loves to show me.
É nada, velho. Quer ver? Eu vou pôr na tela pra você ver aqui, ó. É na boca do gol, o jogador. Isso que eu tomei 2 stopzinhos aqui agora, porque faltava só 200 pontos. Mas eu tenho que bater a metinha, pai.
Tá certo, você tá certinho.
I have a good feeling about this. So here's a message from you guys.
Na boca do gol.
The system is temporarily unavailable.
Na cara do gol.
Maintenance is an API thing, not a next gen thing. So like
é doido, olha.
Is down.
Agora falta só 70 pontos.
Aí é doideira. Sabe muito. Jogo fino do fino.
Stop na mínima. Lambeu meu stop aí por pouquinho. Olha ali.
Nossa.
Já tava com o stop ali. Lambeu lambido. Aí, pai, tô falando pra você, 5 minutos bate, 100 pontos vira. Olha aqui, depois que passou do retângulo aqui, já caiu 300 pontos, tá doido.
É, tem que aprender muito ainda.
Vai pegar.
Next gen is AMP though, isn't it? I don't know, CQG.
Batendo 300 aqui eu já fecho. Depois eu faço mais uma de 100 quando tiver menos volatilidade. Tchau.
You're gonna stroke out, dude. Calm down. I hope I die.
Tá
I hope I
lindo,
just
papai, tá
fucking.
lindo.
Trust me. Sometimes it just be easier, right? It just be easier to have a fucking stroke and die. Okay, and then it's just over, and then I don't have to fucking worry about this bullshit anymore. I don't have to worry about fucking making any goddamn fucking money live on YouTube, motherfucking money. You know, just done. Kill me now. Get it over with. Put a fucking fork in me. Get me out of here.
Ele tá com 2 micro também, né?
Ele vai aumentar, ele vai aumentar.
Mas agora?
Vai. Uai, é agora que tem que aumentar, ele tá subindo, hein?
É.
Aumentou, olha lá, aumentou mais. Ele aumentou mais 3.
Fechou 5 dele.
Ele falou que é uma decisão ruim.
Bad decision.
É.
Bad decision.
É, eu aumentaria lá embaixo, pai, porque ele subiu o preço médio dele agora, fica mais arriscado. E o stop dele fica bem mais caro. Né?
Aham, aí subiu, ó.
Oh, 4th of July. That's right. Holidays, baby. Yo, I'm going to the World Cup on the 4th of July. I got tickets, baby. Only cost me $6,500 for
agora começou a entrar demanda compradora, até bom.
Being considered. Once in a lifetime.
Que é bom,
World Cup,
caralho,
$1,500 ticket.
Quero só fazer meu bem, tchau.
Oi?
But also ground level, like we're sitting down in section 1, which is right by the field. I thought those section 1 tickets, or those like the lowest level tickets, were going to be like 3,000 or 4,000 a pop.
Ele não foi lá atrás.
$1,500.
Não foi que precisava.
Morocco and Canada.
Será que
kick-ass game.
detectação é
we bought them because we thought it was going to be the Netherlands and Canada. We thought Netherlands
Né,
gonna
ele
win.
bateu, me ligou, não vi,
And then
aí
Morocco
deixou
won, and we're
um
like, oh, it's
negócio,
still
um áudio, aí eu
pretty
ouvi,
good
saí
game.
lá fora. Eu falei, só vou fazer, sem problema. Aí ele bateu na porta, saí lá e falou, a porta tá lá atrás, como é que eu chego lá? Eu falei, não precisa não.
Guy paid 100K for 4 tickets in Vancouver.
Como é que você sabia que era
Average
hoje?
tickets. Yeah, dude, $6,500 for
Ah,
4
era
tickets.
daquilo?
I feel like we made we got a hell of a deal for that. And we bought them like last week too. We didn't even wait. We didn't buy them early. We bought them on the
Fechei,
secondary
papai.
market
Lindo.
at that price.
320
So I don't know.
É, quem tem cu tem
That's here in
medo, né?
Houston, so
Eu bati,
I don't
né,
know.
pai? Falta $98
Oh, yeah,
agora.
Morocco. No, dude, Morocco was
Bati.
good. I would just
lindo.
Netherlands was just our team that we were rooting for.
Eu tinha
Houston
aumentado
has a
no
thing
meio
for
ali
orange.
e
So
tinha... Oi?
when you got orange, you're in our gang. Houston's Orange City, baby.
Muito pessoal aqui.
Astros are orange. Dynamo's
Abriu agora
orange.
que você abriu a porta.
The Rockets are red, and it's close enough to orange. We got a lot of orange. Even the old Oilers. Orange and blue and white. Or kind of like red, orangey red and blue and white. So we like our orange down here. Trump is orange. Orange and red. All of our teams are orange, red, and blue. The color of the Titans? Yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
Same, yeah, Titans have the same colors. It's like a light blue. Like, I guess it's more like a red color than an orange, actually. I haven't seen it since my childhood. Texans aren't, I don't know. Nobody watches the Texans in Houston. Literally. Nobody in Houston watches the Texans. It's never a thing. In Houston, everybody, like, you go to the bars, it's like, we're going to watch A&M football or UT football or U of H football. And the Texans are on the small TV over on the side. Literally. That's what it's like in Texas. Am I Portuguese? No, I'm not. I'm
Foi
French.
lá, hein, Lipe?
You know, it's crazy, yeah. Houston doesn't have a lot of pride for the Texans.
Não, tá indo.
No one in Texas. Yeah, nobody in Texas watches them. Yeah, nobody does. I watch the Cowboys. That's my team. Ever since the Oilers left, Cowboys became my team. But
Eu falei que a gente tava sem caixa de som pra fazer festa, mas tem som de bar aí, porra. Bom pra caralho. Isso sim.
You too? Yeah.
Segura.
How old am I? 44. 44.
Sabe muito essa criança. Sabe muito. Pô, tem que jogar aquela garrafa de água lá pra encher essas. Você tá jogando fora os galão? As garrafas de 2
Old
litros?
Warren Moon, the Oilers. Hell yeah,
Deixa
dude.
aí pra nós encher.
Warren Moon,
Vamos
Earl
usar essa
Campbell.
pipoca aí.
If only they had
E deixa
if
essa
only
de
they
2
had
litros aí mesmo.
a great defense to go with that awesome offense. And Warren Moon, as much as I love my Oilers, he deserved a
SeuPaaai.
much better team.
Oi?
98 dolinhas eu vou deixar pra fazer à
He should have
tarde.
played for a better team.
Que reduz um pouco a volatilidade. Consigo entrar com
He
um
got
contratinho bem
robbed with
safe.
his career being with the Oilers because the Oilers were like with Warren Moon would have been.
Vou pegar uma
like,
compra aí
Tom
agora,
Brady
ó. Uma
on a
compra
good
de
team.
3 micro que você faz o restinho que você
You know what I'm
precisa.
saying? He was that good of a quarterback.
Vou pegar compra
Him
aí,
with a
cara.
good team, with a good defense, and a relatively decent offense, would have won
Você
back-to-back Super
acredita?
Bowls. He was that good. So we always said that down here. It was cool, dude. I went to a bunch of Order games as a kid. Watching him throw a ball down the field, man. Perfect spiral, like freaking 60-yard pass.
Se puder ser temperatura ambiente, vai. Pode ser temperatura ambiente?
With the Seahawks.
Porra, me desculpa.
Telling you.
Vacilamos aqui, tá boa água gelada. Vou colocar agora pra encher. Porra. Vou trocar o galão aqui.
You played with them for a couple years, Seahawks.
Come on.
I also played for the or I mean, also played for the Vikings, I think, before the Seahawks. Come on, don't do me bad again.
Eu prefiro gelada, cerveja também.
This is
não me
not
vem
good.
com água quente e
I
cerveja
did add on the
quente.
reclaim, and so I'm just gonna chill on this. This might be a second loss.
É foda, não. Vai qualquer coisa, né?
Any room for a mod? I guess. What kind of mod skills do you bring to the table? Tell me your vision on how you will moderate. I want to hear. I want you to audition for us. This is your community. Shall the community elevate you to a position as moderator? Let's send us your pitch. What's your thought? A looser one? Oilers, one of the biggest chokes, playoffs versus Buffalo. Is as rare as it was for us to make the playoffs. Can you type rigged in chat? Does that work? Can you serve cold beer? Mute everyone during giveaways and be the only entry. Oh god, that is one hell of a chore. Warren Mood played for the best football team in history, the Edmonton Eskimos. Was that like later in his career?
Yeah.
All right. Farina's vouching. Oh, all right. All right. I'm gonna tell you. Here's some gentle rules for you being a moderator.
Vou colocar no congelador para gelar. A próxima vai estar gelada.
You must rule with an iron fist and be ruthless. You must make people fear you. The sight of you makes people's legs tremble. Actually, no, you just have to be cool. Don't ban people, don't block people, never, unless it is a deliberate ban people for like racist shit, you know, like wildly inappropriate stuff. I'm talking like wildly, like don't ban for rated R or even rated X stuff either. Like we're a little raunchy here, a bunch of traders. Just if someone's deliberately, you know, deserves it, it'll be obvious that they deserve it. But like, let people talk shit. Let people talk shit to me. Don't care about that. Don't. I like to let people know that it doesn't get to us. We had moderator one time that was like, every time somebody says Matt, you suck or whatever, and they would remove that. Don't remove that.
Esse é mesmo que você mostrou ontem, não
I
foi?
don't suck. I want them to know that doesn't bother me.
1,20, que você mostrou ontem era 1,20 m.
And also don't remove people in the giveaway whenever they're typing, like when they spam chat and give away, the whole point's spam chat. Don't worry about that. You make correct bets more often than you're trading. Oh, that's funny. Yes, sir. You're welcome. Appreciate it, Brad. Awesome. Okay, guys, it's been one hell of a crazy trading day today. I did take some micro trades and I put a few more on the reclaim, which is a risk, which put me upside down again.
Ela respondeu daquela de 90.
We'll see what happens here.
Essa aqui, ó.
Next, the API issues. So the API is not a next-gen problem. It's a the API issue is a
Não é porque o meu eu tirei daí ontem. Tá lá no guarda-roupa, eu
CQG
vou tomar
thing,
usando.
I believe.
É isso daí.
We got some Tradify accounts to give away while we're chilling.
Ué,
Let's
mas
work on
pendrive é
that.
daí, né? Então tira e coloca.
When will the London Street start? I'm waiting to get everybody's audition tapes, and we're gonna start looking at those.
Vamos usar do cara aqui.
So the API issues are fixed. So next gen should be ready to go. Good deal. Good to know.
Quis ir pro quarto hoje, não. Acordou aí?
I don't like the way this
Aqui,
price
deixa eu
action's
acordar
playing out
você.
now. It doesn't feel good. I know this is like itching right now. All right, guys.
Independente, autônoma.
I don't like this trade that I'm
Vai
in.
rolar sorteio, né?
Vai.
Qual que é a palavra que eu não vi?
TDFY.
Let's see what happens.
Então. Ele tá com dificuldade pra subir, viu? O médico tá tomando, né? Ou ele ficou?
Não, tá tomando.
Tá tomando. Gente, tomando $700?
Ah, mas é evaluation, né, mano?
Damn, that's me falling to lower lows. He's like zapping me again.
Ó as linhas dele lá, o tanto que respeita o Lipe.
Tô vendo. É mais máxima, mínima, né? Ele usa como suporte de resistência.
Não sei não, mas tá escrito lá Bear Zone. Quando bate lá é suposto.
Ah, Bullzone, Bearzone, acabei de ver aqui, ó.
O DDD tem um significado, o MHP lá tem outro significado.
Nossa, esse Bullzone aí tem Bearzone, pode crer. Figurou na Bullzone, o que será que ele viu? Deixa eu ver no meu gráfico aqui. Ele deve estar puxando alguma coisa de trás.
Eu não sei como é que funciona, não.
Deve estar pegando algum fechamento, alguma abertura de lá para trás. Realmente, ó. O que ele tá olhando? Ele tá olhando dia 29 de junho. Fez um fundo ali no 560, 550. Ele tá estabelecendo isso dali como região de suporte. Se perder, entra no Bear Zone. Ele deve cair mais ainda. É o último suporte que ele tá observando.
Uhum.
Cara, que é o jogo da Espanha? 3 horas ainda, gente?
3 horas. Isso quer dizer que vai ter jogo até mais tarde. O último jogo talvez vai ser o quê? 9 horas?
Eu vou te dizer agora aqui.
11 horas. Sabia.
Você tá no mesmo horário que eu agora.
Aham, então, os caras tá falando aí ontem.
Espanha às 3 da tarde. Portugal, isso aqui vai ser bom. Portugal e Croácia.
Vai.
Às 7 da noite. E aí, 23 horas, 11 da noite, Suíça e Argélia.
Any next-gen accounts that experience a loss from this time window will be balance adjusted, and the accounts that are affected from 10 a.m. until 11:30 a.m. Eastern just have to submit a ticket in their Discord, guys. FYI. That's straight from the owner, the CEO himself. So if you guys had any issues with next gen over that hour to hour and a half, sorry, the hour and a half period, like you lost issues, like you lost, like if you lost money because of the outage or you lost money because of a trade, just submit a ticket in their Discord and they should fix it up for you. Oh damn, I'm losing again. Fucking crazy day.
É bom, né? Parece novinho mesmo. Já vem com esses enfeitezinhos tudo, o protetorzinho. Pelo menos esses protetor lateral aqui, mas pra não se bater na madeira.
This is long-term monthly hedge pressure on S&P. Like I said, I still believe in greater market. It should be all right, but let me double check.
Beleza?
Nvidia selling.
E aí, tá vindo?
Cameron Cook.
Ganhar uma barraquinha aqui, porra, graminha macia, confortável. Você vai gostar de dormir na barraca.
Somebody typing at me, this user is duplicated on your list. Wait, what user? You talking about in the win and the spinning wheel? If there's a duplicate, we'll find it. We'll recycle the account. I don't think there should be here.
Tudo bem. Tamo aí, ó.
What's the name? Don't just be like this user is duplicate. Like who are you talking about? We can search right now. What name?
Mas isso é a melhor coisa que tem, porra. Não tem compromisso com nada, né?
So from 10 a.m. Eastern until 11:30 a.m. Eastern for next gen. So because of you, you've been wrong from the right place all week and wrong small. Yes. Managing risk much more effectively and staying solvent longer. Appreciate you, bro. Bootcamp is gold. All of it, man. Yeah, members get multiple entries, by the way. That also is part of it if you have a green name. Ryder? It's only in there one time. Yeah, this is only on the list once. When the wheel spins, though, look, subscribers to the channel get 3 extra entries per name, so you get 3 times as much. Look back at the draw. Yeah, guys, okay, let me speak slower. Let me talk slower. Did you understand? Ready? If you pay $6 a month for the channel on YouTube and your name is green, you will get 3 entries per tournament. So that's a perk for channel subscribers.
Boleta com 5 contratos. Pô, entrar agora é
so
bom.
When the wheel spins, you will see some names more than once. Yeah.
Ah, por exemplo, agora eu vou rever o que eu entraria. Por quê?
Comprado?
O stop tá muito barato, entendeu?
See right here, bonus for subscribers get X3. So if you subscribe to the channel, your name will show, your name will be in there 3 times.
Ele vai continuar para baixo. E aí, beleza, você tá errado no trade.
Do we get a free reset on the,
se ele respeitar essa mínima e essa for a mínima do momento, você entrou muito bem.
Eu tradeava assim antes. Antes eu tradeava desse jeito aí. Só tomava taca. Agora, hoje em dia, eu só acompanho que nem agora, assim. Mesmo estando ali embaixo, eu esperaria abrir outra vela. E outra, eu só vejo 5 minutos também. Eu esperaria abrir outra vela de 5 minutos. Esperava ela dar uma puxada pra cima e entrava vendido, mesmo estando aqui embaixo.
Mas não tá errado assim também, não. Você tá certo, porque ele tá em tendência de baixo. Então o ideal é entrar vendido mesmo. Eu entraria comprado aqui acreditando que esse fundo possa ser o fundo justamente porque o stop tá barato. Mas o ideal é entrar vendido.
O match tá 1.700 de taca. Só que ele tá querendo fechar. Ele não tá querendo esperar bater nesse ponto aqui e voltar, vamos se dizer. Vamos ver se ele sai ou não.
Ele tá vendo que rejeitou a tentativa de ir pra cima.
Moderating correctly. Well, unusual, usually below the green line. Remember, we don't trade anything other than small trades on strong pivots only. And while this candle gave me some good vibes.
É verdade. Tá aparecendo um 7 em vez de...
Fica pequenininho pra caralho, tá porra.
É.
Não dá pra ver direito.
I got a good feeling though, but this price section don't like it. We need to get out of the. I need to wait like 2 minutes. We just need to survive 2 more minutes and see what happens at 11 o'clock. Right when the hour shifts over, this is either gonna dump or pump.
Não no pavio.
So maybe for funsies. I should maybe trim out. I don't know. Hold on. Let me think. I gotta stretch. Oh boy. Okay. Didn't we already give away the trade buys? Wait, how many? Hold on. We already give them away. Oh shit, I had a My Fun and Futures rabbit I forgot to give away.
Bancada.
All right, Tradeify. Congratulations, winners. Ryder, Cameron Cook. All right, we got one more to give away. I'll spin the wheel one more time. So My Fun and Futures.
50 segundos, vou esperar apertar esse 5 aí.
Wait. Possible banned user detected? Oh, wait.
Oba, 2 dias seguidos com mais de 1% de queda, hein? Caramba.
Oh, okay. Wait, sorry. Wait, hold on. The first guy. Actually, maybe you guys found. We have in our database, now we have really sophisticated tools I've been writing. My database has refused your winning, Ryder. It says you can't claim. It found a duplicate.
Não,
Right.
ligações é o Whindersson.
Ooh, I love our tools. Ooh, we wrote some really good programs on our side. All right, sorry, Ryder. Apparently you've been banned. I know.
Ah,
this on
tem
the
essa
fly.
aí,
I
não,
love
então não
it.
sei.
All right, well, there you go. All right, so let's spin it one more time for the other Tradeify 50K select. Now, Tradeify 50K select accounts are pretty good. The select daily is one of the go-to accounts out there. Daily payouts, just like all these other ones. Cameron was like, thought he meant me. No, you're good, brother. You are good. All right, it's now 11 o'clock. Let's see what happens. You have a giveaway song? Wait, where's it at though? Where's your giveaway song?
Não vi nem meu nome no giveaway aí.
We don't want another red candle for the hour. Come
Esse tipo de
on,
moedas
flip it
aí,
around,
mãe.
flip it
Ele
around.
pegou 1 milhão do pai dele e comprou tudo em Bitcoin.
Flip it around.
Sabia, não?
Still green for the day, but man. Can we get a reversal? This is my first day on this one funded account. I wanted to put some
Entrei por mim
fat in that
pro
account.
SeuPaaai.
Comprado,
Futures
vendido.
Fumbler. All right, let's see if you can
Comprado.
claim. That's
Ah, não
crazy
bateu,
that we have
Não bateu,
the
algum
on the fly ability
bug
to
na
detect
internet, sei lá.
banned folks and cheaters. I love it.
Request
All right,
time out.
one more My Fun Futures. I forgot to do this one earlier. And I've got this. The thing is that I think that it's gonna. I don't know. I think S&P is gonna hold, but we'll see.
Stop $70 doleta, pai. Lindo demais.
I hate days like this because I got no pivot to trade on. I'm just like.
Vai buscar, hein?
Was wanting to see some of the stocks turn here, but it's not happening. And I'm only trading this one account here, just this one. And just 5 micros, nothing even super heavy. Mini master and Edge on Discord every hour. That's crazy. And the real man doesn't even talk in his own Discord. That's what I'm very much known. I'm the worst trading guru on the planet, apparently. I have a Discord that I don't talk in. I don't give signals in. I don't go in there and chat with anybody. I don't even chat with the community. I put an announcement every morning about the stream, and that's it.
E não pegou.
I'm not in there hanging out. I'm not in there chatting.
Marrom pegou, agora
I'm not
ficou
talking
perigoso.
trades.
Vai
And they're
voltar.
like, how are we one of the biggest futures discords on the
Você
planet?
precisa ter na onde? Até no 80?
It's like, well, you guys are here for each other. The community that we have is
Agora eu vou tomar, provavelmente vou
amazing.
tomar esse
That's what I
shot,
love
mas
about
eu
it.
preciso de $90. Vou pegar no 682.
So here's a diagnostic report. Here's how we're gonna catch you guys. Apparently, Ryder X has been banned for we caught Ryder X, our very sophisticated scraper bots and everything we've written, has 7 actual YouTube accounts
Agora é pra baixo.
and 5 Discord profiles with the same email. spanning multiple
É,
discords.
Brisson, assim é bom, cara. Que a meio-dia virou time. Puta, não tem
Oh boy,
merda, não tem sem
you
pensar.
can't beat
Tem olhar o
us.
horário.
I love it. All right, fuck this day though. All right, the last one.
Taca,
Here's how you guys
taca,
claim your prizes here.
taca.
Hold
Vai,
on.
taca, taca,
Wait a
taca.
minute. Oh shit, I
Agora
think I
ele
did
tá no
one too many.
1700.
Oops. Give this person an MF if you did one too many. Okay, hold on. I got something here. I think I did one too many. All right, that's it. That's it. No more giveaways. That's a lot of effort. Oh man, AI and
Mas agora ele
programming
abriu um
and,
buraco, né? Então quando ele rompeu, vai pra baixo.
abilities that our team has, we have all kind of
Sabe que às vezes
cool
também
ways
tem a
to figure out
malandragem,
who's
os caras vão pra
scamming
buscar os
us.
estoques de todo mundo que é muito evidente que estava ali,
Best
né?
part.
Aham.
Giveaways over. You can't remember password for one Discord. That's crazy. 7 YouTube accounts and 5 Discord profiles with the same email. Oh boy. Oh boy. Caught by the ban. And when we catch you, so by the way, if we catch you,
Mas se ele entrar deitadinho no
I
porta-mala
know this is gonna
aberto, a
sound
gente vai
pretty
porta-mala
harsh,
aberto.
but
Aí
if we
vem.
catch you, right, is an
Que
example.
bairro que é?
Here's how bad it gets. If we catch you cheating in our giveaway, we
São José
alert
Operário.
our major prop partners, and they ban you from prop trading, and you can't ever KYC again in most of the
Quem
major
vai perder?
props. We maintain a master list of people we find trying to cheat the giveaways. Because if you cheat us, you're going to cheat them.
Nós
They don't
vamos.
want to deal with scammers either. So we kind of ruin your life if you get caught cheating,
Por quê?
or your prop trading life. And they very much thank us for alerting them to who's a cheater. You try to cheat to get multiple accounts, you risk getting banned from props forever. Because they don't want you to go out there and try to cheat them, and then if you don't get paid, you call them a scam. They don't want to deal with that either. They'd rather nip it in the bud ahead of time. So they're like, thanks for letting us know. And we're like, no problem. And I'll tell your mom, somebody said, and your uncle, and they'll be very upset with you. How do you even cheat the giveaway? Entering with multiple accounts, trying to claim the prize with multiple logins, multiple bot accounts in Discord, things like that.
Nossa, falando Santos,
If
brasileiro?
at best you're able to scam a giveaway from us,
Ah,
like
perfeito,
multiple
perfeito.
accounts or whatever, you
O
get the free
doutorzinho é top
account,
isso
you go
aqui.
out there and trade it, and you go get funded.
Só que a gente não consegue ver
And
por
once you do
dentro
that
daí, né?
KYC and your
Yeah.
social gets flagged as a banned person, then you actually won't get your payouts. You'll just waste your time. But that's what it is. Yeah, and sharing cheater lists with each other. Yeah, it's 100%. Like, there's sort of like, a little bit of fighting back for the whole cheater thing. It's unfair to you guys, and it's crazy how bad it is. I would say maybe like 10% of our giveaways, I feel like we catch a cheater. Close to that, like 1 out of 10.
Mas não tem negotiation?
We catch them though. We catch most all of them.
É.
Someone can explain on the double entrance. I'm not giving you guys a handbook on how to do it. People try to enter with multiple names. Like a band trader tries to get their friend to claim the prize for them. Things like that. Yeah, can you teach me how to do it for educational purposes? I'd just like to know. Just pretend like it's chicken and the fish, right? The goal is, if you want multiple entries, just sub to the channel. But the thing is that you have people that are like banned from props that try to get a prop account and trade under their grandma's name. You got like, people using bot YouTube accounts to try to claim the prize. We have, like I said, we have ways of figuring it out. You sent the London stream audition, Sonic? Thanks, man. I appreciate that. Yeah, we haven't gone through them yet. I'm asking for a friend for educational purposes. Yeah. So the goal is that you guys get 1 entry per person to make it fair. That's it. That's the goal. Damn, this market today sucks. No balance, no nothing, just more downside crap. Come on, give me that green though for the rest of the day. Let's just have that. I don't want this. but this is not looking so good. Liquidity pocket here is a maybe. It's a hard maybe at this point. That's why I was like trying to trade around this, but this low below DD band is not a strong entry. It's not possible to link the prop score account for giveaways. Oh, that's our next thing we're doing, Rami. So we'll have a foolproof method after this. Is that you will have a prop score account, and you'll be able to go to prop score account and enter actually there on the website. Yeah. And if our first layers of craziness don't like our first layers of security have craziness and then people get by it, then we'll just put a KYC on there and then nobody will want to give away a prize without grabbing their phone and doing this. You know what I'm talking about? KYCs, y'all have done enough of those, right? If worse comes to worse, I'll throw a KYC on prop score and you can't claim your prize without validating, verifying your identity. And that'll fix it tomorrow.
Palhaço de palhoça.
You know what I'm talking about? Turn your head, turn your head. We can just do that. You got a KYC anyways to trade on props. It wouldn't be an unusual ask. Damn, this market gonna break me even today on this account. The pocket one more time. Screw this, man. What's so great is there's like $8,000 or sorry, $4,000 still currently on this account of drawdown because you build your buffer in the second phase on Blue Sky, which is kind of nice. Well, you still have to do a KYC with the props to trade it anyway, so we might as well just put something like that when you make your prop score account, because we're also going to have a you know, loyalty program and all that. So for you to be able to claim your prizes, we should probably just make you do a little KYC there, and that way you don't cheat our system. Because another thing is that when somebody makes a prop score account and submits stuff for the loyalty, we have to make sure that that they're the person that's submitting, so they can't. Just submit their friends' receipts, you know? I mean, our database will catch duplicates, but that also prevents somebody from cheating. It might be something we should just do anyways, to be honest. Will Blue Sky do any activation promos? Not right now. I'm not aware of any of those right now. No. Not yet, unfortunately. Come on, market. Like I said, I'm just holding through this. I still think we might be okay by the end of the day. The stronger bull market is still there. I had my 5 micros and I'm just chilling.
Que hora que os caras passam pra recolher o negócio da internet? Tá. Você mandou mensagem pro cara do carro?
Consistency. Okay. So when you build a buffer against consistency, you purposefully are blowing your consistency limit. So an example is going to be, say that you have 40% consistency to pass. 40% consistency is a 3-day pass.
Eu não ganhei nada também na vida conhecendo, viu?
And so
não ganhei nada, não
3-day
acrescentou
pass,
nada
for
na minha vida
example,
conhecendo o que é X.
and say that you have to make $1,000
Eu só conhecia
at
a rua, né,
40%.
do Duque de Castilho.
Okay. So, actually, let's make it a little bit easier on the math. Let's do 50%. That way, y'all have to think too hard. So you need to make $1,000 minimum PT. Okay, minimum, and you can take out $3,000.
Yeah.
Payouts. $1,000 at 50% consistency. Why is my mouse like It's like skipping around when I'm trying to draw here. 50% consistency at 1,000, which means each of your trades need to be $500 at minimum for a $3,000 profit target or payout. But you don't want to just make 3,000 and take 3,000 out and be at zero. Say you want to build like 3 times your payout max, even though your profit target minimum is 1,000, and you can take out up to 3,000, and you can take 5 payouts total. So you want to take out all 5 payouts at max. So you want to put in maybe like 10K of buffer, right? Consistency just means that your biggest trade, say that instead of making $1,000 before first payout, now I'm going to make 10. And at 50% consistency, I can just make that in 2 trades of 5K. It doesn't really affect your buffer or the way you get there because you're trying to overshoot anyways. When you go higher than what's required on consistency, all it does is makes your profit target bigger. But you already are making your profit target bigger anyways. So your act of building a buffer counters the fact that you're violating consistency. So that is the corrective measure.
Então,
You're
mas
purposefully going overboard. You don't even have to worry about consistency at all.
considerar que
You're
ele
gonna
vai
bust your
uns 2, 3
consistency
dias até Belém,
right out
o
the
cara
door,
na
but it's
perna
gonna
do
make
pote
you
só for ficou
have to make
11
a little more,
no barco, uns 15 dias tá aí.
which is fine. You guys typing my funded futures, there's no giveaway anymore. Matt, what is TER1 new, not allowed for
Mas
trade?
isso aqui é lá
I don't know what that
embaixo, né,
means.
mano?
Tier 1? What is TER1? New, not allowed for trade.
Ah, dá pra gente
I'm
regular?
not sure what TER1. What are you referencing? What the hell is
Ah,
that?
tá.
You said, what is TER1? What is this?
A descrição que ele deu, vê
I
se
thought
não
you
é
were asking
chat
what is
GPT.
Terry. Tier?
Transforma o quarto do
Rephrase
seu
what
bebê em
you're saying.
refúgio
Tier
de
1.
sonhos
Oh,
com esse berço
what is Tier
encantador.
1 news? Oh, okay. So every
Novo
firm is,
Aleixo.
yeah, that's probably what that is. Every firm has a certain news events you're not allowed to trade through. You have to read each firm's rules. They're different. Some firms are like you can't trade plus or minus a minute around certain events, FOMC, CPI, and
Parece
every
bom
firm
mesmo,
has a
Vida.
different list of what's not allowed. You have to know that with that
Puxãozinho
firm you're
grosso.
trading. They're all different. It's mostly going to be like Fed, CPI, and non-farms, things like that. Some firms are saying you can't trade 30 minutes before or after. Some firms say you can't trade a minute before or after. Some firms say we don't care. You can trade during. We don't care. Yeah, that's probably what you're asking.
Pensando, cara.
Well, that answers the question, Coach Greg. Internal DM, what's up? What you need?
Stream Central colocou kkkkkk. Sou brasileiro. Só no Brasil rico kkkkkk.
Yo, okay, so I got a tease for you guys. We're the first people in the world to know about this. I'm gonna tease it a little bit, but Blue Sky is coming out with something new
Parece que por enquanto marcou o fundo, viu?
next Monday. Something even newer and cooler than what they've already got. And we're the only people that know about it right now. And apparently we're getting an exclusive deal on that day, on Monday.
Ainda mais
Be
um
here for
spike pra
that.
baixo, eu vou estar comprado. Com 2.
John Lamb, there's a super chat. I might have been dancing. Hold on, let me see what you said. Bro, I did not see any of these super chats today. What the heck? Can I explain buffer needed for payout?
Olipe,
Fala comigo.
a Fantasy você pode tirar payout por dia. O máximo você pode tirar 500. Você acha que se você fazer $1.000 num dia no... Ah, o cara respondeu, sei lá. Falou que significa ok.
Mas foi outro cara que respondeu.
Hã?
Não foi o mesmo cara que respondeu, foi outro.
THX.
E aí eu falei com o Stream Central. Entrei comprado. Fala aí, pai, o que tu tava falando?
Se você, no Fantasy, você consegue tirar 500 por dia no máximo. Será que você, cada dia você pode tirar 500 conto? Será que se você fizer 1000 num dia, você pode tirar 500 cada dia? Ou você tem que fazer no outro dia também?
Pô, eu não faço ideia. Pede pro Grok, cara. Porque eu não faço ideia.
A hora que eu chegar nesse ponto eu faço.
Faz a pergunta aí que eu mando pro meu Grok aqui.
And say you take out 2K of that 3K,
Vou
now
fazer
you have
aqui o
1K left
aqui.
and you're right at 0. Your very first trade busts the account,
Qual que é
then
a
you gotta
conta
start
na Fantasy? Qual
all
que é o
the way
nome
over.
dela?
Eu vou fazer aqui.
So, because of that, like I'm probably gonna break even on this damn account today. Pocket's the last hold, by the way. I'm waiting for that. So the example is with Lucid. If they say you can take out 5 payouts at 3K each, means you need 15K. And so what I like to do is put a huge amount of it right up front, like 12K. Okay? And say like Lucid Pro, right? You need to make $1,000.
É só voltar no topo do candle de 5 minutos aí que eu tô
So if I
fora.
get 12K out the door and take my 3K payout, then I'm at 9.
5 de segundo.
Okay. Now I've got $9,000 of fat in the account before I blow up. I can make some mistakes after that. Then I have to make my 1,000, which puts me at 10.
Positivei.
And then I take out 3K again, which puts me at 7. Then I make my 1,000, puts me at 8. Then I take my 3K out.
Mais uma
Then
rejeiçãozinha
I make my
linda.
1,000, puts me at 6. Then lose my 3K.
Tem que ser
takes me
assim,
at 3.
lindo.
Just pay out 1, 2, 3, 4.
Não pode não. Você tem que. É o profit do dia que você tem que tirar.
And now I've taken out all 5 payouts. Check.
Mas não entendi.
Floating way above 0.
Você não pode. Só pode tirar o profit que você fez no dia. Então se você fez $1.000 no dia passado, você tira 500. No outro dia, você não pode. Você tem que fazer mais 500 pra você poder tirar.
Ah, tá. Sim. Deixa eu estopar.
Willing to give back
Nossa,
whatever I made to
lindo.
just in one account. That's it. Like I said, I'm building a bigger, wider thingy down here. See what I'm saying? That explanation I had.
Wow,
The
pô,
problem is you have to make all
caralho.
that money up front, but what it does is it makes every time you take a payout much easier. And you just basically you secure all those payouts and guarantee that you get it right up front. All right. Boy, it's gonna be risky. There's the freaking pocket there. Let's let it overshoot because this has MHP to tap. I think right there.
O Matt tá mamando 2 pila, velho. Ele tá segurando.
Mas é Ival, né, mano? É ele.
Yeah, we'll be streaming tomorrow. We don't take holidays off.
Mas.
Qual que é a diferença do Val?
Ué, que não tá funded, ué. É o teste.
Evaluation, né?
E ele falou
perde
que...
a conta do mesmo jeito.
Então, mas eu acho que essa conta que ele tá é aquela que você reseta de graça, então... Eu acho. E ele falou que ele vai esperar bater no MHP lá, na linha dele lá, MHP, pra ver se volta.
Portanto, que nós dá de caindo 1.6, ela vai recuperar, pai. 1.6 de queda no dia. Já caiu ontem 1.8. Já ela dá uma recuperada aí.
Tiny higher. 50K will give you more
Oi. Já.
Especially if it's Pogo. If it's Pogo, then it's better. If the market was closed, we still stream. We don't take the day off. We still stream. If the market's closed, we'll still be here. Equities market is closed tomorrow. Do I suggest building a buffer rather than the minimum 2K? Yes, my style is always to take all my failures up front to build the buffer and then coast to payout, make every payout easier. I don't like to trade. Ooh, I made a payout. Okay, take it. I like to just build and take my payouts and stair step down to 0. That strategy has been more stress-free because payout 1 is harder, but payouts 2, 3, 4, 5 are almost guaranteed.
7 minutos ainda não teve rejeição.
Harder to fail.
Isso.
Whereas when you finally make it to get your first payout, You don't want to be right at 0 again where one more trade will bust the account. Every prop firm I ever trade with. Now, again, it costs you a little bit of money up front. That strategy is good when you're a good trader. If you're struggling as a trader, it's going to be very hard for you to build 3 or 4 times payout into a single buffer, into a single account. That really is kind of a hard feat to do, but if that will guarantee that all 5 of your payouts or whatever you can take are much easier. If you're not even making 1 payout, that strategy doesn't really apply to you, you know. But at least building more than double what you're gonna take out so that when you take it out, there's still some left is smart. Me, I try to put 4 or 5 times the payout. If there's 5 payouts, I'll put in maybe 4x. That way I can stair step down because you still have to make money along the way. So if there's 4 payouts, I'll probably make 3x the buffer and stair step down while making money on the way. Sort of thing. All right, let's try this one more time. I'm now breaking even on this. Almost breaking even.
6 minutos para fechar o 15 e 0 rejeição ainda.
Vai esperando essa rejeição aí pra você ver.
Lower pocket balance.
Vai esperando pra você ver.
So it can get pretty
No
gnarly.
cenário normal, eu não esperaria mesmo. Mas, porra, 1.8 de queda no diário, viado.
Mano, existe isso não, mano. Se quiser cair, vai cair. Não existe se é 1.8, se é 5, se é meio.
A estatística, né, pai?
Ah, mas... É.
A estatística ela te dá pelo menos uma razão de
porcentagem,
você pensar
né?
em alguma coisa, né? São raríssimas as ocasiões em que Nasdaq cai 1.8 num dia e 1.8 no outro dia também. Raríssimas. Ainda mais quando tem o S&P 500 que tá no 0 a 0.
Entendeu?
Alguma coisa os caras estão vendendo com muita força.
No reset promo
das
code reset, free resets all day long today.
E mesmo assim, no intraday, sempre dá um repique, alguma coisa.
I know.
Esse repique é só o que a gente precisa, né?
Precisa, né?
Actually, I do have one of my orbits I can also trade. I can trade this one. I'll put this one on the burner and then work on this one too if I can.
Isso aqui embora pra mim isso aqui é venda total, eu não conseguiria entrar nesse momento porque o RFC tá muito baixo.
It's just limping.
E a queda já é muito forte. Se tivesse no começo, tipo 0,5 de queda, 0,6, 0,8, 0,9, até assim. Mas 1,8 depois de um outro dia de 1,8, a gente tá falando de quase 4% de queda em 2 dias seguidos no Nasdaq.
Or hold the line, don't fade away.
É bastante coisa. Ó, agora teve a rejeição, é o que eu falei. Primeira rejeição.
Mas você vai ver, vai subir até ali em cima ali e vai cair de novo.
Mas ali em cima é que eu preciso.
Mas ali em cima que você tá falando é 70 e... 85, sei lá.
No 725 aqui eu bati já. Se for, né?
7,2.
Mas aí já é...
Então, mais ainda do que eu falei, 7,25 ali... Você tá doido. É 100 pontos, mano. Eu não... Quer dizer... O que começou a funcionar pra mim é 30, 40 pontos.
Com mão grande, né? Que eu entrei com 1.
Não, mão grande não, 5 micro. É mesmo, então isso que você. Agora você tá com 2, mas geralmente você entra com 5.
Eu tô com 1.
Aí pra você ver, você tá entendendo? Mano, eu não consigo segurar e vejo mais raramente o negócio sei lá, vai acontecer, mas... Que nem o cara da TraderFi mesmo. O cara da TraderFi, os últimos vídeos que eu tô assistindo ele tá abrindo antes do mercado abrir, tipo assim, aí ele pega lá embaixo com 1 micro e segura, tipo assim, 500 pontos pra fazer $1.000.
Caralho, mas daí
Pô, é a mesma coisa que você tá fazendo, né?
É muito pesado. Não, mas...
Pô, é a mesma coisa. É 200 pontos.
Não, pô.
725, ó. Você tá precisando de 725. Agora tá no... 200 pontos.
150 pontos. É que nesse caso aqui, pai, é só pra fechar meu negócio. O grosso eu faço rápido também.
Então...
Os $600 que eu fiz foi na abertura, foi 30 segundos.
E
com 5 micro quando tá com muita volatilidade.
Aí é mais... sei lá. Todas as regras funcionam, né?
Entendeu?
Oi?
Funciona tudo errado, né? Mas aí eu vou acompanhando a tendência. Ele começou a mirar pra baixo, eu entro pra baixo. Eu não entro contra, que nem eu tô fazendo agora aqui. Agora eu tô entrando contra com um micro, porque é justamente pra tentar caçar esse fundinho e não precisar passar o dia inteiro, né? Porque como é pouco ponto, e ele tá volátil, parece que é muito, mas não é muito. É 10 minutos, 15 minutos. Eu não vou ficar uma hora.
Não é
nesse
por
treino
nada.
aqui, não.
10 minutos, 15 minutos, não sobe 150 pontos assim, de nada, não.
Aquela hora que eu falei pra você 5 minutos, deu 5 minutos. E subiu 100.
É.
Que seja meia hora. Só que, pô, que nem o cara faz de passar o dia inteiro. Não, é ineficiente demais esse trade do dia inteiro. Não tem porquê um negócio desse. Isso que você ainda tem a chance de se fuder, né? Você fica o dia inteiro e ainda tem a chance de se fuder, porra.
Com certeza.
Não vale a pena. 1 minuto pra fechar o 15 minutos. Vamos ver se vai rejeitar mesmo ou não. Porque se rejeitar, eu já tenho meu stop definido.
Definidos.
Tem que fechar acima do pavio. 50 segundos. Acima do pavio anterior no 15.
Estamos aqui na academia em Campinas. Viemos treinar ao lado do hotel. Hoje tem evento com o João Adib. Hoje é lançamento do nosso produto Ressalive e Mansão Aroma. Mora aí em Campinas, pai?
Campinas.
O que vocês estão fazendo aí?
Vai ver.
Ele comprou, a gente tem um desmanche de peça. Ele comprou...
O Romário voltando atrás. Isso é muito raro de se ver. É a seleção e faz 10 gols. Quero retirar o que eu disse e parabenizar o Vini Júnior por calar a minha boca. Ele tá mostrando o futebol que sabe e hoje, pra mim, é um dos melhores jogadores da Copa do Mundo. Porra, o Romário pra dizer que quer fazer uma retratação e pra dizer que calar a boca dele realmente mostra a dimensão do que o Vinícius Júnior tá fazendo nessa Copa, Marcos André.
Vou voltar pro 5 aqui.
Boa tarde, Tico, Mauro, Flávio.
Também,
boa tarde a todos, né?
Não vou nem no 1, não vou nem no lugar.
Ninguém é um pote, pela Egito, fez gol e a montada jogar.
15 serve só pra te dar uma noção mais macro do que tá acontecendo, mas é só no 5 mesmo.
Brasileira.
Terrível, terrível.
Caralho, 29.500. Ontem à noite, velho, Quem que tava treinando ontem à noite? Porra, não me lembro. Sei que ele tava... Ah, não, foi o próprio Matt. Quem que fica à noite no Matt?
O
Ali
Brad.
é o outro, o Brad. Ele colocou o take profit dele no 30 mil. O bagulho caiu 500 pontos já, velho, do take profit dele. Você é louco, velho. Muito feio.
Pra poder adesivar da mansão.
Tem teto, pai?
Tem teto, pai.
Como é que compra um estilo? Comprou onde?
Eu comprei no leilão.
Quanto vai no estilo no leilão?
Ah, eu paguei 5 mil nele.
Mas tá ruim então, 5 mil?
Ele é zero. Olha o vídeo, eu te marquei.
Mas por que 5 mil só?
É porque é sucata, né? Ele não pode rodar. É só pra vender peça.
Ah, ainda não pode rodar?
Não.
E se quiser rodar, não dá?
Não pode.
Nem se legalizar?
Não.
Tem como, porque eles cortam.
Fechou primeiro?
Mas o que esse carro foi? Que sinistro?
Vou colocar um pouquinho mais de gás ou não?
Provavelmente a documentação. Às vezes tinha muita documentação. A senhora que prendeu numa blitz tinha mais de 20 mil.
E aí 5 mil, quanto tá um teto do estilo?
Eu vendo a 2 mil lá um teto do estilo.
Completinho?
Completinho.
Então dá pra... Tá, já foi 2. O motor tá funcionando?
Motor
Quanto
funcionando.
é o motor de estilo?
Motor 8. É o motor...
Já recuperou o ciclo?
Já recuperou rápido.
Qual foi o maior prejuízo que você teve em leilão? Você trabalha sempre com leilão?
Sempre com leilão.
E qual o maior... Se fudeu, tá lá.
É carro que...
Peugeot.
Pior que vende, sabe?
Pior que Peugeot vende.
É o que mais vende.
É o que mais vende.
O carro mais caro que você comprou em leilão?
Ah, já comprei Audi, esses carros assim, sabe?
Mas o leilão não virou máfia do leilão? Os caras já têm esquema?
Já tem muito esquema de leilão hoje.
O cara já sabe?
Já
pega
sabe.
as coisas boas, só fica as coisinhas ruins.
Só. E esse estilo, quando eu comprei ele, eu já lembrei. Eu falei, eu vou comprar ele, eu vou tirar uma foto aqui, fazer um vídeo e escrever Mansão Maromba na frente.
Como que é o nome do despanche?
É Gordão Car.
Galera, segue o Gordão Cara aí, vambora, treinando.
Se você comentar, eu vou deixar ele adesivar e fazer um dia de degustação pros clientes dele de Mansão Maromba.
Ah, agora eu vou comentar agora. Vambora.
É 19.
E por que você não mete shape, pai?
Ah, tô tentando.
Ele pesava 151 quilos. Ele faz 6 meses que tá no processo de emagrecimento.
Caralho, vambora, rapaziada. Tamo junto.
Corre, belezura.
A mulher aqui, a cara de... Amém. Você vai separar um dia.
O quê? Você é louco? Olha, a mulher ali, ó. Caralho, todo mundo. A mulher ali, ó. A cara de cansado.
Rapaz, vou tomar um banho aqui.
Vai lá, eu vou corre também.
Você crê?
É nóis, pai.
Não, repete. Quantos anos você tem, pai?
6 anos casado.
O que você acha, pai? Deixa o pai falar.
Eu acho que ele tá no caminho errado.
Ô, cunha! Que é hoje? É genra? É genra, né? Nora. É só o meme, tá? Não leva pro coração. Então, é aí. Você, hein?
Obrigada, Dani. Beijo.
Obrigado, hein? Prazer, hein? Vambora, que tem muitos brasileiros aqui, né?
A tesoura do merchandise acompanha o
Entrou?
igual a você.
Me explica, não.
A gente já entrou todo.
Tá só... Comprou lá do menino? Caraca, e daí? Aí $20 que o Toguro não pode, né? Um barbeador.
Como que você não foi no último jogo? Eu economizei uns $80 nessa jogada.
E eu não vou no próximo também, pá. Não vou no próximo. Cadê o Tio Patinhas?
Não sei.
Tô indo, vou só fazer um videozinho.
Tu pegou, hein? Vamos ver. Dá nas adegas com nós. Vamos com nem de rede social, nem de nada. Tá fazendo.
Patrocinar.
Você já vende coco?
Como é que você vende coco?
Não, nunca vendi coco, mas eu adoro um vendedor de coco.
Coco
vendedor
tem
de
marca?
coco. Oi?
Coco tem marca?
Não. O coco é experiência. É a atitude do vendedor na hora de servir o coco. É a hora de cortar, é a hora de botar ele geladinho, é a hora de falar quais são os sabores que ele tem, não é isso?
A galera entende que eles estão trabalhando na CIMED. CIMED não é coco. CIMED tem marca. A diferença, eu vi vocês falando que a gente não tem que precificar, somos marca. A nossa entrada, Toguro e João aqui, é para aumentar a história, para contar a história e poder chegar na farmácia. Eu não sou farmácia X, eu não sou empresa X, eu sou CIMED, eu sou Toguro, eu sou João, sou Carla, 01 lá na Copa do Mundo. Que empresa fez isso?
Nenhuma fez isso.
Farmacêutica fez isso?
Nenhuma faz isso. E, gente, ó, antes da gente começar a apresentação do Resta Livre, quem imaginava que a gente fosse os mesmos? Essa história que eu já... Mas se apresenta e conta a tua história pra eles.
Prazer, meu nome é Toguro.
Filho teu nome não é Toguro, qual é o teu nome?
Não completo.
Thiago, Pereira, José...
Maybe não.
Frutap, quando veio até nós, era...
Ok. Agora não. Bom. É o derretes! É o derretes! Você consegue ver aí? Mas ele desenha também? Desenha, não desenha? Ele desenha também, não desenha? Não, onde que ele desenha? Que parece o AutoCAD? Que parece?
Oh, do you have one of the keys too?
Yeah, I have one.
You get the roof one or the second floor?
Package. I don't know. It's on about it. Wait, where's the advance at? Oh, there it is. Boom.
It's right there, yeah.
Boom. Good shit, fellas. Oh, they got me. All right, it's Ace.
Free one.
Check this out. Ace is right here.
Twin. We gotta kill him. Sorry, Ace. I don't want you to steal care packages.
I'll let you do the honors, don't worry.
Holy shit. Bro's here for a stray vibe.
Let me see if the third one over here.
That's what I was literally gonna check that. It wasn't on my spot.
It's not
Go
here.
by say Lodi down bottom.
Right here. Yeah, we can just buy a Luddy bottom. He just called me fake? What the fuck? Great dicky.
He was trying to vibe out.
Bro, what happened to the friendly stream snipers, bro?
Yeah, the ones that used to bring you money in helis.
Oh shit.
No cap. Enter on me.
One shot.
I got clustered.
The ones used to bring 20K.
Oh my god, those were the real ones.
Yeah, hey, you gonna be shit there, bro.
Woo! Simply composed with the 10 gifted chat. Today's the last day, ladies and gentlemen.
He didn't come in.
Today's the last day of the 35% off. Appreciate you, Go. Thank you, G.
Oh, he's one shot.
Oh, shit.
So another one jumped in on you somewhere? Second floor. I'm coming.
Oh.
He takes his right up over here.
He's up top on me.
That was close.
I'm gonna ping your specialist screen.
Tomorrow's the last day. Okay, bet. Simply composed. They give it a 10 gifted, man. Chat, who matching my dog, bro? Appreciate you guys, man. We have a big announcement at noon, and then we're nuking all day with Biff and Hector and them a little bit later. Bro, Tweezy, that bomb sound is still going off in my ear. I don't know what the fuck that is. Where that boy Depp at?
Intel point captured. Great work. You've earned a peek at the next gas spread.
Oh, I got a blue key card.
Whoa.
Check your map. I've marked a point.
Oh, you can open one of the bunkers.
Yeah, I don't know. Is it? It's certain bunkers.
I think it's to your left by the park.
My left. I'm gonna go check.
Your squad mate won the fight. They're redeploying now.
Crinks, your specialist second floor. It's like a little office room, like towards this side.
Yeah, appreciate that. Somebody had more guns too, huh?
Yeah, I think he did pick him up.
Oh, you can grab that recon.
Got a contract here.
Well done, soldier. Check your map for the next gas spread.
Thank you, sirs.
That should pull back to y'all. What the fuck?
Anyone got a fucking tomahawk?
Yeah, I did.
I need a tomahawk kill for 5 gifted.
Oh, bet. I'm gonna bring one over. You got a ammunition box? Oh,
Not a muni.
Oh, you need a tomahawk kill for 5 gifted? Oh shit. 3-5.
You got that? You got that?
3-5. They just res in front of you, by the way. Zip him. Oh, way to the top. Zip it up, zip it up, zip it up.
One shot.
Ace.
Was that him? No shot.
Nah, he said
That wasn't. Was it?
Are you on tomorrow? Nah, but I'm on this weekend for sure. Why are you playing BR? Going for nukes. I need 5 more nukes until I get the camo. Fake ass for 10 seconds for 10 gifted. What the fuck?
Using my bread.
I'll pop 2.
Pop 1. Get a muni as well.
I'm definitely thinking about shaking ass for 10 gifted, but I thought about it. This motherfucking is Maverick. Don't judge me in my Maverick, bro. You dicky ass. Dead. Our buddy ain't get a nuke yet. I have 5 already, bro. I have to get 5 more to get a camo.
Loadout drop headed your way. Mark the point on your map containing enemy intel. Capture and secure it to get ahead of the next contract here.
I'll add 10 more. Yeah, I Holy Ghost. Bro, is there a whole team top hospital? What the fuck?
Yeah. It looks like it.
2 of them just jumped off.
Help your squad mates secure the intel.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Join them, you'll speed up capture.
Hey, top chat.
He's looking at me already.
One's on my floor.
He jumped off. He jumped off.
I got one.
Oh shit! I'm getting pushed by a whole squad right now. Dude, what?
He's one shot at me.
Who the fuck is this?
Yeah, I don't know.
Level 1000. Level 1000 team, brother. There.
Intel point captured. Great work. You've earned a peek at the next gas.
Those boys are shooting. I'll let you know that right now.
Yeah, sweaty ass team. Sweaty ass team just put up on me out of nowhere. Level 1000.
Popping UAV.
They got my specialist. Fucking Raz, bro.
Time to fight your way out of here. Almost your turn, soldier. Stand by.
Most wanted. It should be. It was 3 or 4.
Muito.
It's 4. They put up in a car.
Why?
Redeployment. Failure means elimination.
I mean, I just don't know how they literally just drove at me from out of nowhere. Like, for what?
Olha esse bicho, cara. Que tora, mano. Isso, olha lá. Que tora desse bicho. Que tora. Deixa eu falar uma coisa pra você, cara. Essa não é mordedora. Essa é Alligator Snapping Turtle, cara. Ela tem um pescoço, não tem um pescoço muito longo, não. É mais diferente da... Mas isso aqui, mano, se isso aqui pegar... Tica Luca. Meu Deus do céu. Esse bicho meio foda, cara. Aqui, olha, vamos ver como é que fica aqui. Cuidado, você acha curto isso? Hã? Você vem com um galinho desse? Isso até a minha mãe falecida, saudosa, parte nos dentes.
Y'all can pop an advance too on that box.
Vocês estão vendo essa estrutura aqui, olha? Isso é muito interessante. Vocês estão vendo essa estruturinha aqui, ó? Essa estrutura aqui, olha, você tá vendo? Que fica aqui dentro da água, fica que nem uma cobrinha. Tá? A outra que é ali da serpentina. Esse aqui esqueci o nome científico.
Essa daí é a...
Macrocleme.
Isso.
Macrocleme.
Tem mic, né?
Isso, tem isso. Ó, isso aqui que vocês estão vendo é uma estrutura, desculpa, eu sei, cara, que é foda, não é fácil. Esse é um aqui fica uma cobrinha.
Não pode fazer assim com o papai. Eu sou seu melhor amigo. Você não pode fazer isso comigo. Não pode. Você já sabe que não pode fazer isso comigo. Nós somos irmãos. Isso aqui é uma estruturinha que fica na água como se fosse um vermezinho. Aí ele vai ficar parado com a boca aberta. Aí o peixe chega ali e tchaca-naca na buchaca. É isso que nós fazemos. Desse jeito nós fazemos. Tchaca-naca na buchaca. Vem com a câmera bem perto aqui.
Fiz um zoomzão.
Fez um zoomzão? No meio do golpe? Total? Tá, então vai lá descansar. Vai lá, vai lá. Esse é um dos bichos que vive... Olha aí. Vai puxar aí? Esse é um dos bichos, é um dinossauro, mano, um dinossauro. Esse é um dos bichos que vive nos pântanos norte-americanos. Mastigou tranquilo.
Prazer.
Você me...
Jumped off.
On his roof, crack, knocked him.
Yo.
One more bottom on us. Lobby. Going up.
There.
Nice. Yeah, I'm a true Laker fan. I was a Laker fan when fucking we had, what was our center that was trash? What was the name, chat? Robert Sacre. Yo, he was generationally buns.
Can't believe we traded for Paul George.
Last champion moon, the kneecap, and we're comping every follow on the day, baby. Most of the Batman movies are mid. Terrible take. Batman Begins is amazing. Dark Knight's amazing. Dark Knight Rises is okay. You know, so you can throw that one to the side. I don't care. Batman Begins is amazing. Dark Knight's amazing. Batman Returns is really good as well. You know, for the time it came out, definitely is a good movie. Batman Returns is really good. New Batman's incredible. It's a great movie as well. I don't like it as much as other people like it, but I really like it too.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Rush Hour is good. I haven't seen... I remember Rush Hour 3 pretty good. I don't remember the first two pretty much at all. I definitely do for a rewatch. Favorite Spider-Man movie? Spider-Man 2. It's the only right answer. Spider-Man 2 or 1. I honestly, anybody that says anything other than that, I wouldn't go as far as saying they don't know ball, but if you're not choosing Spider-Man 1 or 2 as your favorite Spider-Man movies, I would say you are tripping. You are tripping. I don't know what movie you would pick other than that, because there's no movies that are even close. Oh, if we're counting animated movies, then yeah, okay. I'm talking live action. No, animated movies. Yeah, that's fair. Yeah, no, if Into the Spider-Verse, Across the Spider-Verse is your favorite Spider movie, that's absolutely a fucking great take. That's a fine take. I wouldn't even disagree with it.
I don't think he watches like TikTok. He doesn't watch TikTok.
You guys stream snipe me?
Yes, Kim.
Bro,
Yes, Kim.
I was just watching the YouTube.
No, bro, box me, bro.
Then leave me alone, creep. Leave me alone, creep.
Wait, this is... Hold on, wait, I want to show you something. Where you at?
He's running
downstairs.
Out. He's running
downstairs.
Out, bro. No, he's not. He's not by.
Peace out, nerds! Yes! Yeah, no. If your favorite Spider-Man movie is not Spider-Man 1, Spider-Man 2, Into the Spider-Verse, or Across the Spider-Verse, I would say that take is absolutely faded, and we probably will not get along in terms of conversations regarding superhero movies. Oh, honestly, I would go that far. I'd be willing to hear you out. I wouldn't dislike you. I'd still love you, but I would say that you are wrong. Honestly. It really, yeah, I'd say you're wrong. You could not convince me that you're right. Think Spider-Man? Nope, not even close. Nope. Andrew Garfield is a better Spider-Man, is a better Peter Parker than Tobey Maguire, but the movie itself is not better. Andrew Garfield is my favorite Spider-Man of all time, in suit or out of suit. But best movies? No. W, is that chat? That's a W take. That is not a bad take at all. I'm not saying I don't like Tobey Maguire. I like Tobey Maguire. Strongly disagree. So, what do you think the best Spider-Man movie is? Tom's best Spider-Man? Fuck no, bro. CGI fucking mess in the movie. Bro's not even Spider-Man. He's in a fucking room with a green screen, just standing there. He's a computer. He's generated by a computer. Oh shit! Oh shit! Ian Canva coming in saying, oh, okay, it's a little quiet in here right now. Boom, 50 fucking
Muito, falei ontem, mano.
789 the day, 54 subtrain. All right, dude. Ian says the party looking a little like it's not partying. All right, Ian. He's busting the door down, bro, and fucking creamed everywhere. Ian Canva, Ian Canva with the 50 gifted. Guys, leave me alone. My boy Ian just dropped 50, so back the fuck up. Ian, thank you so much for the massive 50 gifted bomb, bro. A lot of people coming in today and dropping some crazy bombs, putting us at a really ridiculous sub count in the day. We've lost a shit ton of subs in the last weekend or so. Thank you, man, for all the big bombs, guys. Keeping the sub count still crazy, man. Even after losing over 13,000 subs in the past, I don't know, bro, like fucking 5 days. Hey, literally hear my stream in your mic, dipshit. Please mute the stream, bro. You have no fucking shame at all, huh? You're terrible. I'm not even paying attention, bro. I'm yapping about Spider-Man and gassing my boy Ian. You're pushing me and getting shit on. I don't even need to pay attention to the game because you guys are not good enough. And lay back and lay the fuck down, kill your team. Think new Spider-Man's gonna be good? No. But I hope it is. Like, bro, y'all think I'm like a hater, chat. Y'all think I'm like a cynical, pessimistic prick. I will say the new Spider-Man, I don't think it's gonna be good. But I don't go in wanting to not like it, bro. There's some people that, like, I know, that, like, they go into a movie wanting to not like it. Just because I think a movie's not gonna be good doesn't mean I'm gonna go in there with a frown, bro. I'm gonna go in there excited as fuck. I'm a superhero fan. But I'm just not gonna let myself get too excited to the point where I get disappointed. If it's bad, I'll be like, all right, well, unfortunately it's bad. Ah, dude, you're really good, bro. Good job. Dude, this guy's just playing my stream with his mic.
He went next door.
No, wait a minute. I'm in melee.
He's still running around. Still running around.
What are you doing, step bro? I'm recovered. What are you doing?
Hey, he about to slide up on it. Slide up on it.
Hostile UAV in the area.
My touch is there? Oh my god, they left my shit? Chat, y'all are probably yelling at me, dude. My bad, chat. Ian? Yo, Strikes, mute my fucking mic. You are dog shit! You're in the stream, and you're still getting shit on! What do you want, man?
Hey.
You're not gonna shout out, man. You fucking nuts, bro.
One is that.
That's the best attempt, Sync. You got it?
Oh, man.
Holy shit, you suck, dude. Thousands of people watching the stream, bro. They're all fucking embarrassed, dude, to see your dumbass. Your default skin, brother. You better back up, know your place, little man. Terrible play.
Enemy UAV is
Terrible play.
I know.
You're terrible, Glock. You're terrible, man. I can say it 10 times, bro. It makes myself feel better every time I say it. You're terrible. You're terrible. You're terrible. You're terrible. You're terrible.
I'm not great at this. Don't kill me. I'm not gonna kill you.
Dude, you couldn't fucking kill me if you tried, dipshit. What are you talking about? What do you mean you're not gonna kill me?
Where you at?
You can't. You fucking can't. Don't say that. That shit pisses me off. Baby, I won't kill you. Dude, you can't. It doesn't mean you're not in a place to make demands. You're street sniping and attempting to kill me. Now that I killed you, you're coming back and then acting friendly. No. No, 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 no. You're not in control, bro. I can do whatever the fuck I want with you in my game.
enemy UAV overhead.
I love Savage Kevin, thank you. Bro, you're blasting my stream in your mic, trying to kill me, stream sniping me. We're not friendly. We're not friendly. As soon as you fire a bullet at me and you do not walk up to, if you do not walk up to me in this and say, yo, I'm friendly, I'm not gonna shoot you. You're cooked, you're cooked. Even today, you'd probably be cooked because I'm on a win streak, so I'm not gonna risk my win streak on teaming with someone, but right now, but.
Priority tasking request
Yo,
received.
hey, have a safe flight, brother, have a safe flight. I think we gotta use this UAV to rotate up.
What are you doing, Step Bro?
We play on PC on a PS5 controller.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Dang, I don't got no good gun.
Gimme! Box! Gimme! Get your sexy ass over here.
Yeah, your sexy ass hairline over here.
Guys, knock it off,
Just
bro.
box it out, bro.
Knock it off. Stop talking about my
just
hairline.
Box, bro.
Knock it off.
Come on, bro.
That was damn. I'm just trying to.
We
I
just got a box,
bro. Yo, boxing, bro.
YouTuber in our game.
Bro, boxing. Gimme! What gun is that? Gimme. What is that? Gimme! No, he's got me clamped.
Oh wait, yeah.
What did I kill Gimme?
Fast pass.